What up? What up, chat? What's up? What's up, man? What up, Andre? What's up? What's up?
Good morning, guys.
What's up?
Hey, I put the new 4Gs on them. I trap into the bloody bottoms is under. Why? Cause all my niggas. Hey, I keep 100. Yeah, I remember hitting the mall with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm, yeah. I was waking up getting racks in them. Yeah, I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas. All this designer on my body got me drip, drip. Yeah, straight up by the IJs, I'm a big crip. Yeah. If I got a pint of lean, I'm a sip. I run the rest up with my queen like London and them. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget that. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside in the Maybach and now I can sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big brackets. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to. Uncle fronted me some peas, had to get it burnt. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new coupe. Either you from the yard gang or you got a New Orleans bitch and man that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga, yeah, who knew? I put the new 4Gs on them. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Why? Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm bald. I was broke and I'm getting racks in them. Yeah. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas. Yeah, I've been waking up to get the money. Whoa, whoa.
Okay. What up, guys? So what's up? What's up? We back for another Tuesday. Today's it's a pound holiday today, right? Yeah, yen holiday. It's not too bad. That's not too bad. Yeah, pound's still open. We should get some movement today. It should be decent. That ain't too bad. It's not the worst thing. Move this down, change the song, give me a second. Cool. See, the first I can go for playing copyright music is playing the orchestra version of it. So so you guys are hearing that. Yeah, news ain't too bad. We have yen holiday. Today's not even a pound holiday. So I mean, yen's closed right now. So all that's moving the GJ right now is the pound. We actually might be trading GJ today too. It's not bad. My bias for the week is bullish, obviously. right? I expect that wick to get filled, which it did get filled. The day time frame closed bullish at resistance, but it did close bullish, so therefore I'm more bullish than I would be bearish with the weekly, especially closing bullish as well. So with that being said, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish, 30 minutes bullish. I believe for buys to really work out in this situation now, you need a closure on GJ above, I want to say, this resistance here. Once you get that closure above this area, we should be solid for price to continue up towards the next level of resistance, which is going to be somewhere, I want to say, up here. Right here. I think the range to go up here on GJ is around a 30-pip range. That's not too bad. A 30-pip range, but obviously wait for a closure for us to continue up, right? But yeah, that's GJ. Let's take a look at our gold real quick. Pretty simple analysis of GJ though. Pretty simple. Let's take a look at gold. I think gold for the week is just on monitor. Monitor's not crooked and stuff. Yeah, so gold for week yesterday, actually we came up and we broke the week kind of highs. So if we're breaking the week kind of highs, high chance you have for price now to continue to drive up here towards the next level of resistance up here at the 1840 mark, I want to say. That's my target for the week, 1840. But again, for us to get there, we need obviously closures on the day time from above the range as well. Daily closed yesterday, right? Resistance. Today's candle had no top wick. So although we closed at resistance yesterday, we still closed bullish. Therefore, I'm still bullish today. Right, price closed out resistance. I have to create support right here. So, I mean, I think once the candle flips bullish here, we should easily be able to continue up. The good thing about this is that you can actually anticipate the flip of the daily candle using the smaller time frame too. So, I mean, 4 hours bullish or bearish, 1 hour is bearish. I think it's kind of bearish right now. There's obviously no buys. I think the buys would be valid if we were to break back into this range here. This is your support here. Right, this is your pretty decent support formed, and then I want to say you have like a resistance somewhere. Want to see somewhere up here. That's your resistance form. That's the range. So I believe if price were to break back into this range here above 1784, we should be able to continue up here to fill the range. Therefore, I'll be looking for my bias to go up to fill the range, because if you come back to fill the range, what's going to happen on the daily time frame is now we're going to start to flip bullish again, because the day kind of had no top wick when it opened up. Therefore, if it flips, then high chance day can be flipping at the same time, which is take us to more upside to continue up for the day count to stay bullish for a day. All right, so I'm looking for buys above 1784. Obviously, if this range were to break though, I'm probably looking for sells, because we are definitely breaking through range 1, range 2. This is a range 3 breakout right here. So if this breaks, then we should say chop bella coming down for the range. Or if this breaks this range. But yeah, pretty decent decent day, decent analysis, not bad. Morning Trofex, what's up? Alexander Bello, one of my friends, let's get it. Which Rival song is that again? It's Ballin' orchestra version. Or yeah, no topic go daily. Yes, we just talked about that. Hello, sir. What trading today, dude? Today's focus top left, GJ and gold. Same charts for different pairs, right? It's like this every day. I think it might be new though, so I'm gonna be a bit, easier side of things. No, I need this new thing, man. You must be in the chat for at least 3 months before you talk. I swear we need it. You must be watching the streams for at least minimum 3 months. 3-month requirement before you can chat. 4-year requirement before you can be a moderator. If the 30-minute candle closes the week bearish and the next candle breaks the highs, will you enter a long for DJ? You mean a starter play? Potential, maybe. I think I want a closure above here. I think I want a closure above in this situation. He's a wick off guy. Ah, makes sense. Makes sense. Skyline train, I got you, man. I got you. A lot of sense. Yeah, man. I don't know. What up, Marcos?
What up, Mike?
What up, man? What do you think of Golden Asses that unsuccessful yesterday? I have no clue. Never listened. Never heard. I saw his notification that popped up, but I didn't really tune in. It won't affect my analysis. I'm pretty sure the same analysis I have, pretty much though. I'm pretty confident it's gonna be the same analysis I have though. All he does is follow the trend, and that's all I do as well. Follow the trend. So whatever my bias is, it's usually with the trend. When the trend's bullish, I'm looking for bias, right? So it's probably the same then. There's nothing magical or anything, right? And let me actually go ahead and delete this. Trades take. Oh, I'll delete that right. Okay, trades taken, deleted. Today's focus, gonna update that. Today's focus is gonna be gold and GJ. And yeah, okay, cool, it's fine. Well, yeah, what's going on, man? 6:44 a.m. How much people got in here right now? 130. That's a lot of people. G2 152 390. I think there's no thinking. You see it. There's no thinking. All right. You shouldn't be thinking in FX. No thinking. You see it happen. You see it break. You see it reject. You don't think. You think too much. You're gonna start thinking about your blown accounts. Now I'm being honest, man. So you gotta stop thinking in FX, man. It's not some type of 50-50 gambling game, man. Guys, what's your spread on GJ? My spread on GJ is looking like it is. The notifications just went out. Okay, notification just went on YouTube. My spread on GJ is 1.3 pips, 1.4, 1.2 right now. Hey, Marcos had so much sun yesterday. Oh, look, he came today for a new man. He apologized to you for yesterday.
Love.
Exclamation point sun in the chat. I need to find a way to automate these Nightbot commands, and for some reason there's no option for it on or I haven't seen any option for it yet. Every 30 minutes, just put exclamation point no sun or sun. Reminds everyone to get some sun, and that it shouldn't be 24/7 FX. Andre, what do you think about these buys here? We break back into the range, man.
I don't know, man. I don't really like them, to be honest.
You looking for sells only?
Nah, I'm honestly just like clouded right now in gold.
Oh, you don't like both directions?
Yeah, if you ever get that feeling where you're just like, I mean, obviously, like I could follow the trend. I just don't like the way the daily closed. I feel the same way though. There's no top wick on the daily. Like there's got to be a top wick in the daily at some point at least. I probably won't honestly take buys until we break the previous 4-hour highs above that resistance at 1790. So
above here,
yeah, just for extra confirmation. And then I'll probably take sells below 1781.
It's not bad.
Maybe a no trade day though, unless I get some clear confirmations.
I don't know, I'm pretty interested in these buys here on GJ. I'm on gold above 1784.
1 hour would be closing bullish. That would be bullish back in the range in 11 minutes if it did. That'd be nice.
Yeah. Yep. This fit has no tall wick. It should flip and give us that push into the range. I'm working with a 0.8 spread. My broker has 22 pip spread. It's not a 22 pip spread. It is a 2.2 pip spread, 22 point spread. Yeah, you cannot have a 22 pip spread, man. You're getting robbed if you have a 22 pip spread. Like, unless you have, like, you know, like they pay you to take a trade, there's no reason for you to have a 22 pip spread. They pay you commission, you know. What do you think? I got you. So yesterday I told myself that I'm not gonna drink any type of morning workout, pre-workout supplement. And today I feel like I should take it. So fuck it. Your boy's addicted to it, man. Thoughts on GG done? I did analysis in it like 5 minutes ago. You can just check it real quick. Give me a second though. Okay, why is this page not refreshing? Okay, waiting for a closure below this Euro JPY. That's a 62-bit range on Euro JPY. Wow. Maybe today you can trade this pair instead, Andre. This is your pair.
I don't got 6 months, bro. I got 6 months to wait.
Not that bad. Yeah, I think it's pretty valid. I like your levels, your zones. You have a support here, resistance there, range formed. Then closure below would be valid for yourselves. Yep. Clean traffic looking left. Pretty solid. Solid analysis. Hey bro, 3 weeks have failed to close above 1786 weekly. This week could potentially be a fake out to the upside to continue down. What do you think? Yes, but the difference is this week, instead of us closing above the range, we actually came up this week after creating a support right here to break last week's high. Alright, so yeah, there was a resistance here. We never closed above, but now that we got a bearish channel closure above, this is a starter play, and technically a starter play for price to continue up, anticipating that we're going to continue up. So I mean, I do expect us to continue up here towards the 1820 mark. But however, obviously we're gonna be able to tell on a smaller time frame or the day time frame tomorrow, you know, or sometime this week, if we fail to stay above here and close above, because we're probably gonna flip bearish or something. But we're gonna be able to see that happen. Therefore, if you end the week off, you know, closing bearish or resistance here, it wouldn't really affect our daily analysis, right? Yeah. Oh, Carlo, how you doing? How you doing, bro? Is the thing over?
Yeah, I think.
How long is it? A week?
Days. Since Wednesday. Yeah, almost a week. The first few days it was like tough, but then after it's just like, now I just have like my nose blocked, probably here, but
you sound a little nasally.
Yeah, survived it.
So you're isolating?
Good. Yeah. I'm in this room like 7 days straight. I just go to the toilet and back. That's it.
You must be going crazy.
No, bro. It's mental.
If you guys don't know Carlo, then you guys are probably new here. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys know Carlo. Put a 2 in the chat if you don't know who the hell Carlo is. If you guys don't know Carlo, you guys are new here.
Andre and me are the first one who made it from the chat to the Zoom.
Yeah.
With the charts. So.
And probably the last ones. It was the worst mistake of my life.
Oh shit.
All right. Something to discuss later after the Zoom.
Carlo, let's leave right now.
And they were gonna fight. I remember Carlos when he first came in, he would always show his charts. I think it was EU or something like that, or DJ and whatnot.
Andre was EU.
Jesus.
Hey Don, can I give you a chart?
Mm.
Yeah, Samurai's been moderator before you guys.
I just wanted someone to check my charts back then, bro. Literally, like.
Don, we need you to record Carlos saying "Churdy" for the Go XLR.
Churdy.
I do when he has the energy to do it.
I watched what you're talking about, GJ and gold. Like, I had the same analysis, and I'm bullish on gold too.
Mm-hmm.
I almost took the sell though on gold because of the clean traffic. There was like a 30-minute or 50-minute close.
This one? Oh yeah, this one right here. That was out 554.
Yeah.
That was nice.
But I don't know. I see the same what you just showed on the weekly and the daily close bullish as well. So, and the daily has no top wick, today's daily.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm bullish on gold.
Thing is, like, sells aren't bad too on gold because we kind of broke range 1, range 2, this is kind of range 3. So if we flip bearish and break below here, I think we should be able to come down towards this support here. Like a 50 pip range going down. It's not bad. But
And GJ buys too. Like, I was waiting for a close above and the 50-minute close with no top wick, and I was like, okay, whatever.
oh wow, look at that 30-minute count go down to give us that previous no bottom wick, Andre. I saw GJ rejecting. I'm like, wait, there has to be a no bottom wick on a 50 and a 30 here, and it was a 30 no bottom wick, so makes sense though.
I had a resistance here.
Yeah.
And then the 15 closed above here, but it had no top wick. I was waiting for buys, but if it had a top wick, I'd probably take a buy.
Yeah.
Just see, I still have that straight line.
He ain't lose that.
You kind of lost that too.
Did you like my sound effects? Andre's like, Carla has always these mad sound effects. Alexandro Bello, my brother.
Martin, good morning team. Back on the stream tomorrow dealing with personal stuff. Hope everyone's week is doing good. Blessings. Yeah, Martin, have a good day. Hope everything's all right. I'll catch you tomorrow. Oh yeah, so Joe, back to what you were saying about gold earlier. I wanted to talk on it. Yeah, so like you see the weekly flip in there, that flip bullish. So like if we end up like flipping bearish here, we're gonna be able to see it flip bearish as the day count today closes back in a range. So if the day today decides to close like this, exactly like this, then high chance what can happen is we could be breaking back into this range here, this range right here, right? This is your resistance here, this is your support, this is the range. So if that were to happen, then price may continue down to fill the range like this and then take us down, which will make the weekly candle flip bearish, respecting that resistance. So like we're gonna be able to see that happen though. That's the thing. Don Melzo, meet the mic. Yeah, IC markets get good spreads. If I was Ezreal and for IC markets, I would trade it, but I can't. There's no way I can trade it, unfortunately. Seeing Vantage Effects. Vantage Effects has small, like a 0.3, 0.4 spreads for GJ. and like probably 0.7, 0.8 for gold. Man. Down 4% on my account. Going to need some good work to get that back. That's all right. You just do what you do every day. You show up every day. You look for your same stops, then look for your same entries every day, right? You follow your plan. What broker do you use? The trader's domain in the description down below. I don't like this music, man. I hate this music. I want to play like actual music, man. I need new playlists.
Ted was live yesterday.
I think they said that earlier.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
I was late because I overslept. I'm a piece of shit.
Yeah, man. You showed up to class late, asking questions that got answered already.
Sorry, team. I don't know if you saw it, but he was like going over this thing that he was back testing, and it looked a lot like the celery play.
I don't know, man. Hey, whatever it is, it is.
No, it's just like it's a cool coincidence. You feel me? You're kind of ahead of the curve.
Man. Hey, whatever, you know.
Oh,
It's evolution.
If you
It's
bring up
evolution.
another trader, he'll say, "Oh man, you do my own thing. It's all love."
Yeah, I do my own thing. It's all love. I don't look at one direction. I don't look at anything else. You know what? Matter of fact, starting tomorrow is unfollow every single trader I follow.
Marcus is at you this morning.
You ignore the good comments, you ignore the bad comments.
Oh,
Hey, that is true. Marcos, what you just said is
You
true.
don't follow any traders?
I do, but like I don't like follow. Like I follow them for like the respect, but I don't like follow and really care
I'm not talking about
what they post and
I'm
shit.
just saying,
Yeah.
you don't have any traders that you take interest in?
I follow some traders. I follow usually the ones that I find some type of value or some type of respect in. So Marcos, Skyline Trading, The Rock, LeBron James.
My favorite trader, The Rock.
Eat Rochester. This is probably one of my favorite pages that I follow right now. Provides the most value. In the blue FX. Mars Trading.
Yeah,
Free Market, Uncle Ted, Train Nut. These dudes are actually cool though. Visualize value. They're cool. Carlo, BDFX, Prime from Fitness, and Gary V, and this stuff. Actually, I'm on follow Bloomberg. Wix9. And yeah. Oh yeah.
Did you get?
This is my favorite page right here.
Something yesterday about Gary V. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. It was funny.
What was it? Anything good?
You should play it for everybody. It was really funny.
Share with the whole class.
Dude, there's so many notifications. I don't know if I could even. You said
It was on your personal. I sent it to your personal.
My personal page.
That's what you told me to do. You're like, bro, I don't check my. I'm too famous to check my other one.
Oof.
What? I never said that. What? What are you trying to do? I'll check it later.
Scheming against you today.
Just expose 4K.
What's going on today? What do you guys think against me today? Shit. How do you determine bias for example, if look at GJ, our daily chart, the past 10 candles are bullish, but 20 candles prior to that are bearish. Do you concentrate on the past 10 bullish candles? No. The weekly is bullish. If you look at the weekly trend, we are obviously bullish. The most recent candles as well. Last week's candle was bullish. Therefore, this week I do expect price to continue up to fill this wick here. Because you know, just you gotta get the idea that you know candles are different. They're all the same. You draw. Just imagine this is a 15-minute time from here. This is a weekly, right? But just imagine it's a 15-minute time frame. This is the range we had on a 15-minute time frame, and we closed bullish as for in a weekly or on a 15. What would you expect the next 15 candle to do? You expect it to continue up to fill the top of the range now, right? So if that's what you're expecting on the 15-minute time frame, same goes on a weekly and monthly and yearly time frame. The same thing will happen as we close bullish as support on a weekly for price to continue up. So now if you're expecting price to continue up on a weekly, then you can look for buys as we break certain ranges throughout the week. And those ranges are going to be these ranges right here that we're marking up on a small time frame. This right here. 152 until like, 152 400, etc. So it's the same concept. That'll help you a lot, I promise. Okay, take a look at USD cash. Take a trade at 1.23. Are you in a position right now and you don't know what to do with it? You send me a chart. Every time you guys ask me to look at a different pair, and you're in a trade, I'm expecting that it's something it's not good news.
Help.
Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. It's some type of help. Send me a chart explaining why you take the trade and why you see it going to where you see it going. Explain why that's your stop loss, why those are ranges, and explain it. It'll help you, and it'll also help me. I'll also give you my feedback on it. But don't just say, buy or sell here, or, just give me a full chart. Go breaking 1784. Yes, but wait for a closure. This is not good enough. You need a closure above here. The good thing about this is that the 1 hour closed bullish, so it's not bad. Like the start play going down though. Actually, you know what? You know what, man? You are right, Andre. I don't like these buys here because like I know the weekly and daily is bullish. I think I rather prefer buys above 1789 here in this range here, because this is like we're bullish, but still, like, if you look at it from their perspective, it's still a range 1, range 2. So like above here would be valid for buys. I think sells below here would be valid though.
I agree with that. That was and then that range 3 or above 1787 is going back to or excuse me, above 1790 is 4-hour highs, previous 4-hour highs. So then we would really be breaking structure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send a little chart in here in a second.
Yeah, I agree, man. I took another look at this. I don't really like it. It's not bad, but it's just not best ranges you can get. What's the price of the course? The price of the course right now is 400 USD. Oh, my bad. 500 USD. Price went up by $100. Most recently. Yeah, it's right here.
Man, I should be your assistant. I know more than you about your stuff.
Yeah, man. You should.
Fucking guy.
I forgot to make another post. I was supposed to make it today. Shit. Before the stream started or whatever. I'll just make it later. I'll make 3 posts today.
Oh, respect. On TikTok, right?
3 on TikTok? No, it was Instagram. 3 on Instagram, 3 on TikTok, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do for Twitter though. Twitter is weird.
Not worth it, bro.
Why not?
I've had Twitter for a very long time.
Yeah, but it's more of a cultural thing. People get to know you more.
Absolutely. I just don't think there's any Forex community on Twitter. The only Forex community on Twitter is the memes against us.
Exactly. There's no community on Twitter, but there could be a community on Twitter. Samurai, no, I don't want to hear a samurai. You go back to MySpace. I
don't know.
First of all, don't be trying to play me. Second, I know more about social media than you'll ever in your life. Okay? No, seriously,
I respect it.
This bitch has violence this morning.
So don't go there. I'll teach you lessons.
Teach us lessons. I want to hear it because
seriously, no.
Seriously, I want to hear it.
I used to do.
Not for real. I actually want to hear it. Yeah.
Marketing.
Yeah.
And I know about social media and the demographics of what people look for, the age groups and all that kind of stuff right there. So I know that Twitter is not somewhere where you would try to gain a following for Forex.
But anything is possible. Anything is possible. Right?
Right? If you say so, but no.
If there's no first, we can be the first.
It's true.
If there's no first, we can be the first. There could be nothing.
Gary V would definitely say, "Who gives a fuck?"
Who gives a fuck? Just do it.
Post it. Show everyone what I tagged you in yesterday about Gary Vee.
Oh, I gotta show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Yes.
This shit just reminds me of this so much. It's hilarious.
What's this music playing? Let me change it real quick, guys. All right, here we go.
You wipe your ass from the front or from the back?
I don't wipe my ass.
Really?
Nope.
Why don't you wipe your ass?
Because I don't have time. Like, the one advantage a 20-year-old has over me is they have time, okay? Like, but like, honestly, like, I prefer that my ass cheeks rub together, and like, because I appreciate the grind.
Right. Yeah, I get it.
Perspective.
Gary, do you wipe your ass from the front or from the back?
I don't wipe my ass.
Oh,
Really?
shit,
Nope.
Why don't you wipe your ass?
Because I don't have time. Like, the one advantage a 20-year-old has over me is they have time, okay? Like, but like, honestly, like, I prefer that my ass cheeks rub together, and like, because I appreciate the grind.
Right.
The grind. It's my favorite. I was like, what?
Gary, do you wipe your
Oh man, you know he's missing there. You're missing the hat.
Yeah,
That
the jet set.
that barely goes on his head. It's like it's, you know, it still there. Yeah, that's funny. Financial USD is around 27. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I did get some questions about that before. I got some questions saying, would it be exceptional for, you know, if you're part of this country, if it would be cheaper? And unfortunately, it's not, right? I think I think it's fair that everyone pays the same price in one currency, regardless where you're from. But yeah, it's how it is. The good thing about though is the streams will forever be free, and I will always say that the streams will forever be free. Oh.
Ooh.
This gap in the market, I'll say go back for it, no doubt. Which gap in the market? I mean, I think my chart shows that. I think FXCM does. I don't think Oanda shows those gaps, unless there wasn't a gap. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Oh, Twitter. Oh, tripping. Price, yeah. There's a gap, right? Always go back for it. Gaps always get filled. Go back and fill that gap ourselves, right, on Twitter. So, but thing is, like, the question is, what are we gonna even do?
I have a really good feeling that Forex is gonna get really big once the market crashes.
Really?
Yep. Really good feeling. With that market.
What does market even crashing mean to you?
Market crashing? I mean, technically it's a 20% correction, but when crypto and stocks are no longer just making all-time highs after all-time high, I think we'll be like the last little fish in the water, because no one's paying attention to us right now, if you haven't noticed.
Yeah.
Everyone's paying attention to altcoins, and everyone's paying attention to stocks.
And crypto.
And crypto specifically, everybody's in crypto. I have people that, bro, my brother just asked me about crypto. I'm like, what?
How old is he?
He's 27 and he never talked about anything related in his life. He's like, yo, I got a MetaMask wallet. I'm like, oh boy.
Oh my God.
I just read one of my Facebook friends was talking about what should I do with a spare 15K, and I was just reading the responses, and people were like, oh, just break it up and put it in crypto. And I'm like, yeah, man,
there's gonna be blood in the streets.
I know. I was like, you are gonna just throw away 15K if you listen to anyone on social media telling you what to do.
I'm very nervous for my friends and family. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, I saw your Doge USD analysis.
I was right, bro.
I mean, it was all price actions there.
That shit was spot on. I predicted it live. I was like, oh wait, I was right. I woke up this morning and checked.
Hey, for anyone in it just made new all-time highs after retesting the highs again. Hey, for everyone that's in XRP,
classic price action. You don't need anything else, man.
We're just kind of flip bullish here and Chabella. But You know.
If you could do Doge, someone said Dogecoin, please.
Yeah, dude. It's pretty simple, you guys. It's the same concept with everything else in trading. Same concept. Like, what did you know, like it's the same concept here. Let's go on daily time frame, right? So we had a resistance formed, right? And then you had a support formed, right? Price was on a bullish trend, came up, price created resistance, came down, created support. What did it do as support? It closed bullish as support. Once it closed bullish as support, it indicates that we are forming support to come up to retest the highs. We retest the highs. So now it's like, okay, are we gonna break it or are we gonna reject it? In this situation, we closed above the range. Therefore, we are breaking above resistance. And now price should continue up to make a new all-time highs. Don't know where, could be wherever. There's no target looking left. So don't ask me that. But I'm, you know, what is this? $1? 9 cents, 80 cents, 75 cents? Who knows? But yeah. All-time highs.
Hey Don, right there. There's nothing to the left of that price right there.
No, this all-time
What do
highs.
you do? Like,
You
do you wait for another pullback to
you
get in?
if you're holding it for long term, months to years, 5, 6, 7 years, you won't care. If you're a scalper, a trade scalper, then you probably would care. And if you're a trade scalper, you might be chalked because you're just guessing and predicting targets when there's no valid like information, right? It's different when you're investing to the coin for, you know, what you believe in, and actually scalping it and day trading it with no historical data. So I'll stay off if I was a day trader, but if I was a swing trader or long time trader, long time holder for Dogecoin, I'll just leave it. I wouldn't be worried. Yeah, pretty simple. And now look, it looks exactly like GJ, right guys? Look at this. GJ's doing the exact same thing now. We're on a bullish trend. Price came up, created resistance, came down, created support. This is the range formed. We closed bullish at support. Now we should continue up to fill the range. So once we can fill the range, it's like, okay, are we gonna break it or we're gonna reject it? If you get closure above, then say chabella. If you get closure below, then say chalked. Okay?
It's kind of incredible that GJ looks like Doge right
exactly
now.
like Doge right now. It's pretty insane. Next thing you know, on the headlines, GJ is, you know, is Dogecoin in disguise.
Trade Doge with leverage. Be rich.
Imagine. I mean, you can already trade most crypto with leverage though.
What did you say?
You can already trade leverage with some crypto though, or some brokers.
Yeah, with traders domain you can. They got a lot of altcoins. No promo though.
No.
Actually, no. Link in bio. Full promo. I see your link right there.
Thoughts on golden in the plan? Let's see. What's this? Gold's tough for me today. The day closing bullish at a major resistance isn't the best confirmation for buyers. For me, today is really important to wait for moves that make the most sense and wait for a price action to give us a clear indication of where price wants to go. Marco's not, it's not. That was from yesterday. I think every time I start a stream up, it shows the description information from yesterday's stream. So there's that, yeah. Range 1, no trades for me here. Range 2, no buys for me here. Range 3, looking for buys. If we get an hourly closure in the range, haven't had an hourly closure, just 1530. I agree with you. 4, take gold buys with 4-hour breaking periods for a high and a day flipping bullish and there being no top wick, like said. Yep. Range 5, sells below with 30-minute and hour closure below. Yep. I agree with sells as well. Sells aren't bad.
Hey, Andre, you only use lines or do you use zones too?
What's the difference?
I'm just asking. I don't know if there's a difference.
I don't. Just in my opinion, there's like if you draw a line, and then you draw like the little clear zone thing over it.
Mm-hmm.
Just to me, it just looks the same.
It is the same.
There's really no difference. I feel like it's just personal preference.
Yeah, it's all. It's
like,
all for the eyes.
Don likes it. Makes his charts look clean. To me, the line is pretty much the same thing.
You know what I might do? I'm looking at this. Every time we broke back into that range of 1784, we came back to fill it. That was always valid or closure above. Until like after the target we tapped all the time, after was the next resistance up here. I think it's pretty valid.
You talking about buys right now?
Yeah, above a closure above. I might take a half first on the trade above 1785 or 1784. Yeah, 85. 30-minute closure probably though in 11 minutes. It's not bad. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. I'll take half first on that. Maybe even like runner's position if anything goes. But every time, if you guys notice, every time we broke back into the range there at 1784, we were able to continue back up to fill the range on the hourly 30-minute. And we've always tapped 1788 after. Not bad. It's not bad. 4 hours starting to flip. Yeah, because what happened is, I think if you break that range, we'll be breaking the current 4 hour candle high again. We're breaking that high and flipping bullish. Therefore, the 4 hour candle would look something like this after then. Huge rejection after flipping bullish. Therefore, respecting this support here. And then we should continue up to retest the highs.
And make a top wick.
Great outro.
Okay.
Great outro. Perfect timing. I timed that. What do you say, Carlo? You say you like it?
No, I said and make a top wick on the daily if it
Yeah.
plays out the way you explained it. Because then you'd have a great entry and a good runner.
Because daily is rejecting the support here. Well, not rejecting, but starting to look like it's having some trouble there.
I like that idea.
The stops are, I mean, 20 pips, 19 pips. Not bad for gold. Wouldn't mind taking a position. Yeah, it's not bad. Hey Don, do you mind taking a look at GJ Analysis? Thanks already. I got you. I got you, mate. Hey Marcos, do you think Gary V pumped ETH this thing with everyone buying ETH?
Of course he did, but he's gonna play it off as, oh, he's doing it to help people, which isn't necessarily wrong. But obviously he pumped it. Yeah.
You know what's crazy though about it? Is that price action showing that I was making new highs too. That's the insane part. It's just it just aligns. Like it's just everything aligns all the time.
I think these guys can get away with, like Elon and all these people can get away with it because even if they're pumping it, everyone's getting a piece of it. You know what I mean? It's not like they're not telling people.
Yeah.
And like the crypto barrier to entry is so small. Like anyone can just do it. So it's like, it's okay.
All Gary Vee says is 5-5. 5-5. You'll find out.
Everything.
Elon has no shame. He doesn't care.
Yeah, serious.
That dude don't care. He's gonna take all the money. I heard he owns like 30% of all Doge or something like that.
Yeah. But when you think about it, he puts his money where his mouth is. But like with Bitcoin, he bought like $1 billion worth back a couple of months ago.
There's a skit on SNL Saturday with Elon. Apparently it's a Doge skit. That's what Locke just said. That's gonna be a fat pump.
Well, like I think you said last week, be aware when the average person starts talking about the markets.
Yeah.
But it was like this in 2017 too. In 2016. Same thing.
No, not the same though.
Really? I mean, I was like 16. I didn't know anything.
If you watch The Big Short or read the book,
I watched it.
About how in the housing bubble, this guy said they went to Vegas and you had strippers talking about real estate, and that's when he knew it was time to get out the markets because the average person was talking about real estate and investing and stuff, And sure enough, the bubble burst.
I think a lot of people are gonna get rich from crypto and stuff like that right now, but even more people are gonna get burned. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
Overall daily and weekly trend is bullish, therefore I'm avoiding any sells today. My profit target will be this next target here. Oh, it's a nice chart, nice well created chart here, explaining everything that you see, everything that you're doing here. Perfect. This is the charts that I want, guys. Come on, chat. Waiting for 30-minute closure above this level of resistance. Would wait for the next candle after the closure to create a wick, and once it flips bullish, I would then take my entry with my stops below the lows of the previous candle. Perfect. When my stop loss be secure some positions and right. Oh, see, even has this up. This is a very nice chart here. This is a dubs in the chat chart. Right here. But that's very key. Would move my stop loss to break even and see how he knows what he's gonna do within the trade and the wide split. All right, he has it planned out. He doesn't just get in a trade and then just like say, okay, you know what, I'm gonna. Or he asks, oh, should I move my stops to break even here? Should I do this here? That's like he knows what he's gonna do. He's planning it out. Perfect. Wait, why are you so hype, Marcos?
Bro, the Marvel Phase 4 trailer just released. They have release dates for every
Marvel
movie.
Phase 4. What?
All the new Marvel movies. They just released all the dates for the next. It's like 7 or 8 movies for the next 3 years, and there's like 3 this year, or 3 or 4, including Spider-Man. I don't know. You gotta be a nerd for it. You don't watch that stuff?
And I'm not too like.
You should watch Twitch. You stink.
No free promo, you know.
No, it's Marvel, bro.
No free promo.
This dude.
I feel like I've grown Marvel's you know, I've grown Marvel's by 50% the last year by talking about Marvels on the stream every day.
This guy, man. Boo this man.
Closure above resistance, but should have waited for it to break the highs. Weak wick. Yeah, another thing about this as well was that kind of had no top wick. Yeah, weak wick in other words. Yeah, that's another thing. Yeah, I would have been very skeptical about that if I were to get in. I don't think I would have gotten there. But yeah, your resistance drawn like a little bit further down right before that happened, something like this. So it looked like it closed above, but a no top wick would have held me out. It's not a bad trade though. You just didn't realize the no top wick, right? Let's take a look at my. Oh, read that already. Read that. Nice. Why is that top wick important? It is important because when a candle closes with no top wick on a bullish candle with no top wick, it indicates that there is no range to continue up. Therefore, it becomes a 50-50 chance of it going up or down. In those situations, I wouldn't take it because I don't like taking 50-50 opportunities. Whereas if a candle has a top wick, it indicates that we have a range to get filled and price should be able to continue up to fill it. Speaking about that, I actually have a post about it. So let's go on my TikTok. Ready for this? This is a perfect explanation for it actually. So let's go with wrong one.
Here are the sessions that open up in the FOREX market.
Wrong one. I posted too much.
What makes up a wick fill? This is a candle leaving a wick. Usually when a wick gets filled, you see this happen. Price goes up, fills a wick like this. But did you guys know that 4 1-hour candles equals to 1 4-hour candle? So let's break it down. What makes a wick fill? You have a high, which is a high. You have a low, that's the low. And you have a bearish body closure, which equals to this wick. So when price fills a wick like this, what happens on a small time frame? What's happening on a small time frame is price is creating that support right now. And then a resistance. Now this is the range we're in.
Right there. This is what a wick equals to. The range. This is what the wick is doing. Right? So when you have no top wick, you don't have this range here. You don't have ranges. You just have, we're just at resistance pretty much.
So at support, wait for a closure to continue up to the top of the range, like this. So sum it up, when price fills the range on a higher time frame, all that happens is price fills that wick like this. This equals this.
That's what it is. Exclamation point wick. I don't have that. I don't have that command because I have do exclamation point no top wick. I think that's one of them if I'm not wrong. Let me check. I ain't know my own commands. Commands custom. Do exclamation point. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Do I have a thing? Oh, there's more. Okay, makes sense. No wick. Exclamation point no wick. It'll pop up. No wick. Does it matter how big the wick is? Yes, it matters how big the wick is. Don't you play Valorant? No, I don't. Don's come to a wedding in Peru. Yeah, guys. I got a +1, so who wants to come? Yeah, guys. I'm gonna bring my streaming stuff. We're gonna stream the wedding. Imagine. The angle position. Yo, Carl, aren't you? We feel like you go fast here.
Oh, dude, Maho would kill us.
Yeah, she would kill us.
You're trading.
Yeah, that's crazy though, guys.
I'm down. 4
months ago, I didn't know who this guy was.
Like MT5 under the table.
Yeah.
What you doing? Nothing.
Yeah.
What you doing?
I'll be sending my MT5 terminal to the boys when we're eating the wedding dinner.
But you gotta open a picture of you two, you know, in the background, and when she asks, you just swap on the picture and be like, "Oh, I'm looking at a picture of ourselves." Like, so damn cute and stuff. And in the back, like, you forgot to put your stop loss and you're panicking, like, running to the toilet, like.
No stop loss.
That's crazy. 4 months ago, strangers. No, strangers. They didn't know who this guy was. Okay, this guy sent me a chart. Yeah, I'll start from sending charts. He sent me charts every day, asking questions, and then 4 or 5 months later, this guy is now.
I feel like you should go back to our DMs from back in the day. I used to DM Don like 2 or 3 times a week and be like, "Yo, bro,
really?
I appreciate
Control
you."
FX on my main page.
The Control FX page,
bro. On a Zoom call after the stream, he'd go to find my messages and then show me how I sent him a message and like
I left him on red.
Some of his posts and how he left me on scene. And then he'd laugh like, and like, yeah, that's really fucking funny. Like, but it is, like, it's ridiculous. Like you're trying to get some attention, like to learn something, like, cause like there was so much value on the stream and there was like, I don't know, 60, 70 people was watching. Like I could send like 4 charts per day. He'd check them straight away. I was like, all right, cool. I'm staying here. Like, it's much faster. Like, more effective.
It's still like that today though, right?
Yeah, people need just to send more charts. And
Andre, I don't have any messages with you.
Send the chart.
Unless I'm just missing out. Oh, there it is. I found it. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what Andre texted me back in the days.
What did I say?
Oh, wait, look at G go reject that resistance there. If the 1 hour comes down, I'll break the 1 hour lows here. Ooh.
Yeah, be the 4 hour re-break and its lows.
And the 1 hour start play as well. Yeah. Third pit range.
Stops.
This is not bad. it's really not bad. I guess you consider next support to be down here. If that were to break, this is your target. That TP is looking like it's gonna be around like a 30 to 50 pip range here, going down. That's clean trap around daily 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour time frame. Wow. 6 minutes left in this candle for the 1 hour candle closer. I'm gonna place a sell stop right here. 1 hour starter play coming down at 1781.397.
I'll use a stop loss the current 30 minute. It's only gonna be like 13 pips rather than the 1 hour. That's gonna be 30 pips. So
Don, what are you using? 1 hour?
What's up?
Using 1 hour stops?
Yeah. 1 hour starter play stops.
You going half risk or?
I was thinking of doing half risk. Yeah. Also a bit massive.
What you doing?
he sounds like he's in the toilet or in the closet.
What you doing over
Oh
there?
my bad, I'm placing my soft stops. Oh, my mic was first. Okay. I'm looking at your old DMs right now. Actually, just take a look. Hold on, give me a second though. Before I take a look, I gotta do something. Let's see if the streak continues today. Every time I get a trade now, I'm like, let's see if the streak continues. Like, I don't know what the winning streak is right now, but it's some crazy number. TPs and it's fine.
I'm actually gonna wait for a 15-minute closure below that 1782, I think. Stops are a little too big for me. But Carlo, I like your idea of the 30-minute stops.
Yeah, it's probably a bit more risky. The 1 hour is safer, but I don't want to put like 30 pips stop loss.
I probably could close like half if you break that 30-minute high there.
It's the thing, like the 1 hour salary play, the sells, the first kind of support is what, 15 pips away. So I wouldn't risk like 30 pips to get the first 15 pips.
That 30-minute stop loss is just a little too, like the top wick is a little too small.
Yeah, that too.
Oh, Andre, you were the guy that sent me the glasses for UV light, yeah, blue light glasses.
Yeah.
Like, these are it.
Yeah.
Jesus. Been on your stream for 2 weeks or so and love the content. Came from Wixon live stream that was okay. I'm not gonna read that part. Wait for keep it up, bro. It's all peace and love, man. I appreciate that. Appreciate the support. Waiting for our 15 or 30-minute closure above, or it just depends on which one of your smart stops. Oh man, Andre came with the heat. This is back in September. Yeah, I mean, hey, all love. That's the scenario when price gets to their account. Yeah, he's asking questions like waiting for a 15 close or waiting for a 30-minute close, or it just depends on which one of your smart stop loss, which one. And I said depends on the scenario when price gets there, how candles form, maybe how forward closes above the range, just about time frames. Thanks, man. What is this? These are all charts, dude. These are all charts.
Oh, the white background. Yuck. That's a clean ass chart though. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a good chart. Yeah.
I think I was trading at that point for literally like 45 days. Like, just opened a live account.
EJ, bro. Like when I hear EJ, I have the feeling this time stopped for like a few seconds. Literally.
Yeah, your stomach hurts. You're like, ugh, what the fuck?
Wait, Carlo.
Everything's in slow motion.
I mean, Andre, this is you?
Yeah, that's my whole setup.
Oh, damn. This was you. Yeah, I'm like, yo, this guy is like dedicated to this stuff. Yeah.
That looks nice, bro.
Aslan Bello. I don't know what your username is for Instagram. So, I don't know which DM. You know, I got a lot of DMs in a day. If you guys message me on Instagram, make sure you put your actual like YouTube name on it. Are you in Doge? No. No, you please be my online. Did you talk to MM today? No. Actually, no, I did. Sorry, I did. I actually gotta go on stand-up mode too before I take a trade. If I don't, then it doesn't count. See if it gets activated or not here though. Looks like we were breaking the current 30-minute highs again. What's gonna happen here? Imagine you see this price is shooting down just like this from the range. One clean 5-minute candle. How big is this TP here? I didn't even measure. Wow, 50 pips. That's a lot. Mr. Red Control FX banner? Nah, man, you don't miss it. It was covering half of the screen up. Me and Andre talked about the other day. We're like, wow, I can't believe I had this on my screen. There was just so much going on. Too much distractions. I think it's more clean now. Like, you don't need to know if it's controller of X's stream. You just know it's controller of X's stream. Exposed Murado, how long did he become profitable? He probably asked me that question, to be honest with you. Who else has been here? Who else DM can I check?
Oh, gold.
All right, at this given time, I am going to delete my sell stops. Obviously, they're not active. Stocks are the prices we broke the 1 hour highs.
What's going on here? Is there news?
30-minute started play back in the range. Oof. If you get close in the range, I'm looking to take my buys. That's in 4 minutes here. Well, if we actually get a closure though. Let's see.
I'm gonna fake you out. 15 gonna close back in the range, and the next 15 is gonna close like bearish again.
Okay.
Something like this.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Tricky.
Tricky.
Know, I'm bullish on gold though. Like,
yeah, I mean,
really
these were the original bias.
That trade would make sense if the 1 hour salary played out. Right now, it does make sense. It's obvious, but
Let's see if we can get a move here. If we can get a closure in 3 minutes here, potentially a pullback for the wick to be formed, we should have decent buys here. But
on what, the 30-minute?
The 15. But
I don't know.
Like, it really is.
Are going to be 30 plus.
well,
yeah.
I need to retrace like this first. I need to retrace and then for us to go up. If it doesn't, then we'll probably wait for a 30-minute retracement, like you said. Stocks will be smaller. That's a GJ.
Flying down.
Yep. How's the 4 look? 4 breaking the lows. 4 starter play coming down. Oof. With that being said, now we should actually come down here towards the 151, 198 here. Yep. Okay.
We break the daily lows also.
If you break the daily lows and say ciao bella, yeah.
That's a long ways away.
That's a long ways away.
GJ.
What might retracer for us actually? That's it. I'll retrace a bit more though, my friend. About another 15 pips for you, and we should be good. Ooh, I think I should stand up now, guys. It's getting a little tense in here. Gotta get my pre-market feel as well. Yeah, stuff like that. Get some juice flow in my body. Hey man, this is my analysis for USD. Oh, gold close below the range. Oh, we might actually get a retracement. Oh wow, this thing actually retraced it. What time is it? 45? Ooh, 45. Started playing on 1 hour time, 30 minutes started playing. Damn. No closure. We might not even close above the range. Who got FOMO and got in?
That's the good question. Right
Yeah,
there.
who got FOMO and got in on position there? All right, we're trained better in that, I guess. This is my analysis for USD CAD. You can't send the full link. Sandra, you can't send the full link. You gotta send here, check the description on how to send a chart, or do exclamation point mods do for him if you guys are here. But there's only one way to send a chart. How big are stops here, man? Stops at 30 pips or 45 pips.
Hey Don, what do you think about selling GJ right now?
Give me a second. I'm looking at gold. I'm not really looking at GJ.
Got you.
Yeah. No, no bond wick. Ah man, I need a bond wick in this candle, guys, before I answer positions.
Only way I would considered is we had like a decent wick on the 15 and then use that as my stops, enter on the flip. So you didn't have 30 pips.
I would have been fine using the 30 pip stops. I just need a bond wick here to enter in the opening. But now I think we're in the same situation as yesterday. We gotta wait for this top wick to break the highs after creating a low, so we'll probably get a later entry in. Can't do anything about that. However, if you did get in on the open of the candle, I suggest you move stops to break even. Because what's most likely gonna happen though is if we do flip bearish again, we're gonna create that lower wick for lower wick before we actually continue up.
Do you consider an entry if it makes a lower whip and then lower wick and then flips bullish again?
Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna enter on the flip though or on the break of the high.
Break of the high.
Cause yesterday I entered on the break of the high. Same trade. Price opened up, no bond wick, came down, create a lower wick. We broke the highs, and that was the position I took. So who asked me about GJ? Let's get some timer. I mean, GJ can't push down here. Cells and GJ weren't bad, Daniel. They weren't bad. Didn't come back to Phil's range here. I think you need I need a closure though. I don't think this was good enough for me to cells. Also, this kind when it opened up had no top wick to it as well. I probably would have stayed out. But this range is pretty clean to get filled. But was it Daniel who asked me that, or was it Stefano?
No, it was Tariq.
Oh, Tariq.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you need a closure in this area for price to come down. In this range, in this support.
I'm also waiting for it.
Yeah.
The 30 minutes closure.
How big is that range? That's like a 20 pip range. It's not bad. Yeah. A lot of volume today. A lot of volume today. That candle was a 30 pip drop. There's a top wick being formed now. Nice. Let's see if we re-break the highs. 18 pip stop for a 30 pip TP. That's not bad. If price were to re-break the current kind of highs. And then from that wick to this next resistance is like 7 pips. That's a break-even trade at that given time for price to continue up. But we must flip bullish without breaking these lows here. Yeah, that chart's fine. I think that's good. I'll take a look real quick. Clean traffic going to the left, looking up. USD CAD 1 hour broke above resistance. Yeah, this is a good chart. Clean chart, clean entry, clean stop loss. Makes sense. Perfect. Yeah, that is clean traffic. Nice levels marked up as well. Yeah, I see you have this resistance and this next resistance here, and then the next buys you can look for will be above here on USD CAD going up to fill this range here. That's perfect. Yep. Clean traffic and clean traffic. Nice chart. Well, looks like we're not gonna get any positions, guys. There's nothing's happening here. 4 hours re-flipping bearish, re-breaking the lows. Andre looks so locked in right now. I think he's in a position, guys, but okay. No positions.
No positions, bro. I am locked in though. I am locked in. I'm trying to see what's going on here with Carlo, the gold whisperer, is back. He said that 15-minute was a fake out. He's talking to the market makers or something. Something's going on here. He was right.
What if we put back that sell stuff on the 1 hour?
Stops are massive now. Look at stops, man. Holy shit.
That's a huge rejection.
That's 50 pip stops now. I can't do that.
Put back that sell stuff.
Hey guys, whoever entered and opened the candle, we said move stops to break even. Here's why. This not if you didn't move stops to break even that trade and you open the candle, you would be in. You might need some diapers right now, man. Shitting your pants.
So,
I'm gonna wait for this closure on just 1 hour.
Yeah, it's 15-minute celery play. I think this 8 a.m. volume coming in might be a move here.
Last 9 minutes.
Stops are obviously massive. There's no way to enter, but I mean, unless you're on the 5-minute, but I could see it happening.
I see it happening too, man.
Yeah, once we break these lows, especially those other wicks to the left, it's ciao bella.
How big are stops? 45 pips. There it goes.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes. Here's the move. There's your break-even trade. And now you're risk-free. Anticipating price to drive down here to fill the range, and this should be another drop. Yeah, it's Chabella here. I'm waiting for this closure in the 1 hour candle, guys. 8 minutes left, but I believe this thing should maybe push down here to fill the range. Stops were a bit too big there for me. 4 pip stop, 4 or 5 pip stop.
Now we're in a situation where the new hourly is going to open up, and that previous hourly high is all the way at 1786, which is, like we just said, like 60 pips.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be potentially tough.
Yeah, I think it's gone. 1775 here. If we can survive the last 7 minutes or without going down any further, we might get an entry in, but this thing's pretty chalk, guys. Fill this range. Look at the 4 hour candle. This is clean now. Clean. 1 hour starter play as well. It's just clean and solid for price to drop down. That's it. The C7 minutes is enough time for us to wait. It might just close back in the range. Who knows?
I was just gonna say this 5 minutes gonna close below the range at 1781, and then the next 5 minutes is gonna pop right back in.
Wait, guys, patience. If you got in on the starter play, then your stops are break even, 100% break even. There's no given reason for it not to be at break even right now. You got your 10 pips as well. I would highly suggest you close partials and let it run it go risk free, and hope for this candle to close below the range for you to survive that break even trade for price to continue down to fill the range. Proud to you guys. It's gonna be an algo day today, man. This is an algo day now. Algo day. On gold. DJ closed back in the range. We're very skeptical about that closure there, right? And look at that, kind of reject now. It's starting to flip bullish. So be very cautious of that. Okay, gold might retrace a little bit for us for an entry. 6 minutes left. Let's see if we survive.
I mean, even if we do retrace, when we close below, the stops are just gonna be too big.
Below here.
Yeah, you're gonna have like a 38 pip stop loss if we close like just where we are now. It's gonna be like a 38 pip stop. Unless you wait for the opening of the new hourly and then use the current high, the top wick.
I'm pretty fine with the 30 pip stop since that was my first sell stop. It's like around that range too. I go like half risk in it, but yeah, you're right. Using the current candle.
It's gonna be more than 30. It's gonna be almost 40. It's gonna be 38 pips if it closes where it is right now.
I think what Andre says makes sense. If it closes below that 15 and then the next candle opens, makes a top wick, and after it flips bearish, you just use the current 1 hour candle.
As an aggressive stop.
Yeah.
I want a decent wick though, like at least like a 8, 7, 9, 10 pip wick.
Yeah, more. 10,
yeah,
12,
like
15.
12. You get that.
If this was a fake out and this candle closes back bearish in the range or below this range, I think the sells are super valid. So I think I'll do like wait for the opening on the next 1 hour candle to make a top wick, and then if it flips bearish, I'll get in. Smaller stops and smaller risk, only like half position.
You gonna get a Kleenex too for that black nose?
Yes, brother.
Marco's you getting some GG or no? Got some GG action?
It's all up.
Nah, I'm waiting for this candle closure.
I feel you on that, man.
How do you guys feel about taking sells on GJ when the daily is bullish?
I am probably staying out of GJ today until tomorrow. Like I'm not looking at trade it.
This would be my range too if it breaks below. I wouldn't enter on a closure. I would enter on a break of below. So if like the 1 hour closes, makes a top wick, comes down, starts breaking the lows, that would be my range 2 sells.
Are you talking about below 151, 480?
151, 400.
I see.
Yeah, I got that as a support too on the 1 hour.
Other than that, I'd stay out of sells because, like Andre said, I am bullish on the daily and the weekly.
Good to just, remind yourself of that sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Todd, is there a command for type 1 and type 2 FOMO or no?
I gotta make that. Good idea. That was new. That was actually new. I'll put it in a document and slide.
Nice.
For sheets. Type 1, type 2 FOMO.
With the way the 15 minutes closing on GJ, I think I'm more comfortable with buys back in the range.
You get a closure above 151, 583.
Or something like that, yeah. I don't want sells after a bullish closure on a bullish day.
Yeah, just be careful of that hourly. The hourly is just a giant bearish candle.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel you buying at support to retest resistance again. It's like what we do every day.
Yeah.
Gold's not gonna close below. It might close above 1784. If it closes above 1784, man, then
oh god, it's hilarious.
Today really looks chalked. Hey, again, if you guys on that starter play again, we said move stops to break even, close half. I said I highly suggest it. If you didn't, again, another situation where you'd be like, fuck, shoulda, woulda, coulda. Right? You always want to do the same thing over and over again. All this volume, no positions yet, guys. No positions taken yet. Might get a WAP play in the 15. And if the 1 hour closes bullish here, I mean, Doge, that'll be pretty tough for this 1 hour candle with the New York Open here. You have news at 8:32. Minor news, nothing too crazy. A lot of waiting today if you close. Why do you say we close, gonna close half here? Were you hesitant about something? No, not really hesitant. Just that's what we always do. 10 pips, close half, right? Because for you to survive that trade after the start play, you need a closure below, and you had like 12 minutes left for a closure below, which is a long, or 7 minutes left, which is a long time, and price may not even close below. So you want to be better, safer and sorry by closing half and move stops to break even there, anticipating that you're going to survive the 7 minutes below the range and then survive the next wick to come down as well, right? In that situation, obviously we didn't. Right now the trade wouldn't make sense anymore because it's a completely different trade. We didn't close below range, we closed respecting this support, and it's very like thing there, very choppy now in that range.
The hourly on gold, close Doge.
Yep.
Just breaking people's hearts right and left.
But you have that one person there that's gonna say, this is this is their confirmation Doji candle, and they're gonna enter a position here, man. A sell here. Not wrong. But did Carl just leave?
Yeah, he sent a message. He's got a work call.
All right. Take it easy, Carlo. Yeah, nice barcode pattern on 30. Yep, nice barcode. Definitely. Yeah, no positions taken yet, guys. No positions taken yet.
Fuck. GJ, man. GJ kind of looks a little clean.
He's not bad. How did it close? For a 15 starter play. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah. You think about the 15 starter play, or you think about like what are you thinking about? Just a closure here?
So yeah, just a closure obviously below 151.58, but then looking left, you see that that support at 151.52. Yeah, right there. Right there. Yeah. Like we didn't close below that. So I guess I didn't really see that until just now. I don't know. I'd probably be pretty hesitant just because I would only look to take buys on GJ today.
What if we 15 starter play?
What's the range going down?
14 for 14, 1-to-1.
Clean.
13 for 14 actually. Yeah.
Yeah. I wish there's like a little bit of a bigger top wick. You'd be breaking the 30-minute lows as well as the 1 hour lows at that point as well.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little support on the 1 hour at 151.41. Would be the only thing I'd be like a little precautionary about.
I was expecting the 1 hour wick, top wick, and then enter it for sells, but
Wasn't big enough
didn't
for
make
it.
it. No,
Yeah.
definitely not. I was waiting like the retest for the 151, maybe 850,
Yeah.
something like that.
Better to be safe than sorry, though.
580, sorry, 580, sorry. Or just a little bit bigger, you know?
Mm-hmm. More times than not, staying out is going to pay off in the long run.
I think days like today, it's very important that you understand that although you didn't catch some trades, it was never actually according to your plan in the first place. So if you got in sales today, but your bias was bullish, sure, you might have won today, but over a long period of time, you're gonna start to think that those profits are gonna be okay. And then you're gonna start getting into this habit of going against your bias in certain situations. Like for me to take sells now, I think sells are valid for me now because we are breaking range 2, and that's what I did all April. I only went and get some bias whenever we broke out of range 2 ranges. Range 1 was here, I think. Resistance, support, or sorry, here. Range 1, right? I wouldn't have taken my bias was bullish for a day. There's no sells for me here. 2 here. Here's this is not bad. We closed back in the range, but it's still range 2. My sells would be below here, which is right now. So I think if price were to break this, I would take my sells in this area here, right there, coming down for the range. And that's all. That's what we've been doing throughout April, pretty much. We stuck to one bias unless it was a range 2 breakout. Other than that, we stayed out. And it's gonna be really hard today because you're gonna see a lot of people post a lot of profits, showing that they caught, you know, this, whatever. But follow your plan. Don't get that shot about other people's plans. Say a good day to explain your story. Remember you said yesterday you will save it for another day, but maybe since there's a lot sitting around. Nah, I'll explain that. I'll explain another day, man. Not right now. No, definitely not right now. We're too locked in on these 2 pairs right now. Not right now. When it's like a very dead, dry day, that's when I usually tend to talk about those things. Or, you know, you may go back in time and look for a clip somewhere that was on point. Yeah, it's very important today to just understand that, man. It's very important. Like I'm gonna see today a lot of people catch just sells here, but again, it wasn't my plan. And the days when it feels good are days when people get, or not, you know, obviously I don't wish bad process on anyone, but days when you see people get caught in those situations, you're like, oh, this is why I do what I do, because I was able to avoid that, and today I was able to execute on that position. Like the days where we avoid fake outs and we see other people getting in fake outs, you know what I mean? Like those are days that like, oh wow, that stuff paid off. So you don't gotta chase every single move in the markets, man. Yeah, ask on Friday. It might be a dead day on Friday. And that's also really something that people tend to forget and tend to not even realize, because when they're in the markets, they just think about making money, and they don't realize, you know, the good and bad that comes with making money in some situations.
This song is wild.
I'm trying to find playlists. Like these playlists are getting worse and worse, but I need something new, man. This guy don't got much anymore in the tank.
Have you ever considered to, like I've seen on like YouTube ads for when I'm doing like, you know, copyright free music that you like pay like, I don't know, it's like $10 a month and you have a subscription to like, I don't know,
but it's
a
the same
million songs
concept,
of
though.
copyright. What's up?
It's like the same concept as this guy though. It's just like this type of music. Like I just want to play actual music, thing. You know what I mean? Like I want to play actual music, but I can't. You know what I need, Andre? I need to contact Drake, man.
He's in the 6 with you, bro.
I'm gonna send him a note. Hey Drake. Dennis Graham.
Do what I did with you. Just send him a DM like every other day.
Aubrey Graham. Don, you ever watched Naruto? I did not much when I was a little kid. Like I know nothing now. I know nothing. I used to make the, what's it called? I forgot. Those little things that you throw. Those blades, what's it called? You guys know what I'm talking about in Naruto. Beyblades? Nah. In Naruto, man. Oh man, did I gotta show you guys? Has it come down to this? A shuriken? What's it called? Shuriken? Is that how you pronounce it? Doesn't sound right. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. Shuriken.
That 15-minute salary plays about to happen.
This, yes, this stuff. I used to just make these with paper. What say, Andre?
A 15-minute salary play is happening as we speak.
Yep. That's interesting. Chabella here. Did you get in?
No, I did not.
Oh, gold set to reject here too. That resistance might be a 15 star play coming down from gold.
GJ.
No.
GJ, this. Yeah, it's gone. Nice. That would have been nice. That would have been a nice position. Stops the break even now.
There's the move.
Yeah, there it is right there. That's the trade's called. You called that 100%.
I had a sell stop there.
Did you?
Yeah. I had it from earlier.
Nice. Nice, bro. Nice. Good shit. Good shit.
Nice.
You guys see that? I didn't get in. I didn't even know Don got in. He got in. I was happy for him.
When I got in, like, remember I explained it and I was like, I'm looking for my sells, edge of the boxes and all that. That's when I kind of placed my sell stops.
Yeah, nice. Nice trade, bro.
Fits the start play.
If anyone gets salty right now that you didn't catch that, I'm gonna boot you. Just be ready.
Literally broke it down to the T.
I'm gonna boot you. Just get ready. Yeah, there you go. Someone put a dub in the chat. There you go.
Yep. I got like 9 though. I didn't really get 10 or anything. I got 9. 9.8. Yeah, close fall, yeah. Nice. 970 actually. 0.42. Yeah, it was I got the entry though. My stuff was like below here, like 3 around here, 375. So I took full at 10.
Marcos, I think you were away from the computer. Did you catch that or no?
I'm not gonna put that in trades taker or trades called though.
I didn't catch that. No.
But yeah, guys, I explained earlier. I said how, okay, you know what? We were in a range here. We had a range 1. Our bias was bullish for a day. I said I was gonna avoid those ranges. I was gonna avoid this range. I was gonna avoid this range. We closed below here. These are sells that I want. So for us to get sells, we must need a 15-minute start play, and that was the only spot that were to be valid were below here. So this is the range that I wanted the whole entire day. So I missed out today. Not missed out. I avoided this range. This whole entire range, the biggest move, and I got this right here, and that's all I aim for today. And that was the one trade that went with my bias today. Range 1, range 2, everything was checked off the list. Everything was perfect in that trade. The only thing that wasn't perfect was the RR in that trade. Hence why I didn't really put on screen, because I entered a late entry. It was like a 12 pip TP, or not even, yeah, 12, like technically a 12, 11 pip TP for like a 14, 15 pip stop. So I didn't even put it on screen. I'm not gonna put in trades taking our call though.
Not even a trade's called.
Nah, put in trades called.
You called it to the team, bro. You literally talked about it like 3 separate times.
There you go. Yeah, I'll even timestamp the part where I talked about it. How about that? I'm waiting for a gold still, guys. So there's still gold. Right here. Right here. You see this? This is at 8:04 a.m. So I know a lot of guys caught it too if you guys follow along. So congrats if you guys caught that. FOMO type 1 now. I missed it. It's alright. You know why it's alright? Because if you get a closure below here, I'm looking to take more sells than below 151.255 here, coming down to fill this range here. This range is about 18 pip range. Wait for a closure and then you can execute your sells coming in. It's not bad. You explained very clear. That was a very clear breakdown. Yeah, man, that trade wasn't completely a 1-to-1. It wasn't completely a 1-to-1, but I knew that I was gonna be very aggressive with my break evens in those situations. Like the moment we were to come down here right away, technically when you enter it wasn't a 1, but once it were to come down, and I think it wants to tap like around the support here, the 6-7 pip mark around here, I moved my stops to break even off the rip, and then from there just shot down towards TP. You have another opportunity here, not here though, because it's kind of here open with no top wick. You need a top wick form, and then you need a closure below range, and then you know all that good stuff. So wait till maybe like 8:30, 8:45, you might get a move here, and then a move on GJ coming down, but you need another 15 minutes here at least minimum.
You know what's also important, at least in my opinion?
What?
Is that you don't have to get another move on GJ. Like Don caught that move on GJ. If you don't see another move, just don't take one. Just wait. Come back tomorrow. There'll be another move. Yep. Save yourself taking an L today because someone else caught, a W. That does not mean that you have to take another trade. If nothing pops up, just don't take it and be cool with it. It's all right.
Andre.
Boom. There's another trade right
If you get this, I'm taking that 100% again.
Oh yeah, I'll take that too with you.
Wait, so how come you decided not to get in that position? Because stops were too big, or what was that?
No, I've been locked in on gold all morning, and then I flipped to GJ and I saw it happen, and I literally, as it was happening, I called it out. I just didn't switch
execute in time.
Yeah, I just didn't switch my MT5 terminal, and you know what? I was okay with missing it. Like, it's okay. You don't have to catch every move. Like,
same story pretty much. I was AFK, came back 3 pips in profit on that trade, and I was like, yeah, whatever.
I got lucky because I had a sell stop placed from earlier when I explained it, and I just kept it.
I just know the second you start like getting the different types of FOMO from not entering a trade like that, then you try and force a setup later on because you feel like you have to take a trade, and that's when you lose a trade. And then you're like, you look at the end of the week and you're break even or negative, that these trades today that you take after you see someone else take a trade, this is what makes you, negative or break even. It's like hold it out, wait for your setup today, tomorrow, next week, whenever it is, take those setups, you'll be profitable.
Yep. Andrew cannot said any better, man. Formula is my biggest weakness. May small. Hey, that's actually the first try I've taken during the stream that wasn't on the actual screen. So you guys can get mad at me for that. You guys cannot get mad at me for that, man. Formula's biggest weakness. Made some small L's into big L's from trying to jump in. Yeah. What kind of FOMO are you dealing with? Are you dealing with FOMO 1 or FOMO 2? FOMO 1, you see a move and you want to get in. You have to, right as it's pushing down. And FOMO 2 is being able to see the move happen, knowing your setups, but you just couldn't get in time, or couldn't get in for some reason. Oh, 15 breaking the lows. This is not an entry for me, guys. This is not the starter play right here. This is called an impulse sell. It's valid, but it's not an entry that I would take normally. So I'm not taking this entry here. Do I see it going down? Yes, I do. Are probabilities of it worth it for me taking a trade? No, it's not. I need a closure here, and that's in 10 minutes here. If you get that closure, looking like it's gonna be around a 17 pip TP for a 7 pip stop. That's clean traffic. Look on left, ciao bella. This might be the last range before it starts getting a little bit choppy for the day. Not saying not give you guys FOMO or anything, but I'm just saying, like, looking left after that, it gets pretty nasty here, and you need like a closure below here, which would probably be a late move if you start to drive down here. If anything, tomorrow. So this might be the last decent push of the day. I could be completely wrong though. I think FOMO only gets solved with time on a chart and watching moves play out. FOMO gets solved when you don't chase the move, you just chase your moves. Right? You look for your entries only, and that's all you look for. You don't care about anything else that happens. Like, I don't care if this move drives down here, because this is not my trade to take. I know it's not, because I never enter like this. Unless it's an algo day. And GJ's, I mean, it's not really an algo day today. It's a decent day. But, yeah. But if you get a closure and I didn't get in, I'm like, okay, that's the move that I missed, because that's the move that I was willing to take, like this. Wait for a heart rate monitor, extra confluence, 180 beats per minute. Buy. It's coming this week, guys. My sales are based on whether Don's standard sitting and his general excitement levels. I wasn't that excited. I wasn't that excited in this trade because I didn't catch it yet. Let's go, whatever. What, you find you have ice in your veins? I do got ice in my veins. I got bullish in my veins. I got bullish candles in my veins. DeAndre Russell, ice in my veins. Oh, if gold comes back in the range here, might look for potential buys here. I think gold's not done for a day, guys. Gold will potentially move here. Just I think once you get a closure here in 7 minutes, it should be solid for price to continue up here. I think these are beautiful buys here to fill the range. Looking like it's gonna be a 40 pip range going up. It's not bad for a 29 pip stops if it closes right here. I'll wait for a third minute candle close here. Gold has hardly moved today yet. The day is definitely not over. It's only 8:30. What up, David Montoya? Div Antine. Two Davids in the chat. I'm meant to read the man, bro. What's up, man? What's up, man? Yo, Marcos, are you looking for cells below here with a closure in 6 minutes?
Yes.
I don't know what to do, man. I don't know if I want to take gold buys or G cells. They both look very clean. Or just take both. Who knows?
Turned into an aggro day out of nowhere.
Yeah, actually, yeah. I mean, GJ, how she moved today? Decent, like 50 pips. I think this is it's a decent day. I wouldn't call it an aggro day. I think it's a decent day though. Very good day.
Don, will you wait for a top wick to be formed at the 30 minutes if it closes?
On gold?
No, on GJ.
Yes, yes, yes. Always. Always, always, always. Okay, Carlo's back. We got some gold here in 6 minutes here. I want to put some pre-market food. I need some energy today. Damn.
Need some sugar.
No sugar, man. Pure caffeine. I need to
Don't drink coffee.
I don't like it, man. I don't like coffee. It's just it's weird. I liked it at some point, like earlier this year, but I just stopped drinking it, and ever since then, I hate it. Maybe it's just the coffee I'm making. I tend to just like kind of have it very what was it? I like black coffee pretty much. I just chug it just so I can get the feeling of being energized, but. GJ, 4 minutes left. Can we get a closure before, continuing down here? That'd be pretty nice of you, GJ, if you can do that for us, please. And looks like we are gonna say chabala. Gold's gonna do the same thing too. Not bad, actually. 4 minutes left. It's a long time. Vimmy's coffee. I got Vimmy's coffee. That's alright. I got bored of it. We wait for a top wick, then enter in a bullish flip. Yes, always, always, always. I'll wait for this kind of closer. Wait for a top wick to be formed like this, and then boom. Something like this. Yeah, this is a fake on a 30-minute time frame here. So now that we have a fake on 30-minute time frame, it's gonna take us up to 1789, which will then lead us to the 4-hour candle flipping bullish, which will then lead us to the day candle flipping bullish at the end of the day. Because if you come to fill that range, you're starting to reject here. And at some given point, the 4 hours then close bullish as well, because we have 30 minutes left. If you fill the range here like this, which will take us to the day candle flipping, if the next 4 candle decides to push up. That's my story for the day on gold today. So let's see if we can get an entry in. Hopefully we can. Two minutes.
Gold looking nice. Okay,
yes.
Okay.
GG looking nice too, but I mean, not anymore. Gold looking beautiful though. Beautiful. Look at the 4-hour candle. And imagine how it's gonna look once the range gets filled here. It's gonna be straight bullish. And the next 4-hour candle opens up, creates a lower wick, and then say chabla to retest the highs as support. And then day candle flips bullish, and then a weekly candle stays bullish, makes new highs, and then 8 and 20. It offsets from here, guys. It offsets from this one candle right here, and then it takes us to a different paradise, a different destination.
You're gonna take buys on 15-minute candle on gold?
Yeah. I'm really looking to anticipate buys here. I just
might not get it.
I just want, yeah, it's kind of, I just wish it doesn't pop up too far up. Just a tracer. What's Vietnamese coffee? It's very sweet. Not sweet, but it's good. You should try it. They make it like a Vietnamese coffee maker. It, like, you know, it just drips down. Pretty cool. The condensed milk is what it is, yeah. I have like every weekend, but it has bare ice. It's iced coffee too, so Vietnamese iced coffee. Shit, that's deep. FOMO gets solved by not chasing the moves, but chasing your moves. Some wise boy 22. You actually quote that. Quote that. Instead, I said it. FOMO gets solved by not chasing the moves, but chasing your moves. Alright, guys. This is how you can give a retracement. How big are stops here? Don't be too big. Ooh, looking like it's gonna be around the 30 pip stop for a 38 pip target, which is not bad. I'll use the 15-minute stops on Andre. How about you, man?
Stops are too big for me.
You can get a topic though.
33 pips. It's too big for me. I mean, I guess I could go half risk, but yeah, no bottom wick.
Yeah, I got in a position, guys. Right here. TP is gonna be up here. Stop loss gonna be a current count low. If this count comes out, make a bottom wick, it's fine because I'm using the previous 15-minute count as my stops. I do expect that to potentially be the bottom wick formed. Stop loss. Nice. There's a little nib there in that bottom wick. I just entered and just, even if the word come down, create another bottom wick, it's fine.
You gonna move stops to break even soon?
You
got 10 pips, right?
Yeah, I did. I got like 4 or 5 on the average spreads. I never got 10 pips. Not a break even yet. Okay, pushing up. Can we get our 7 pips? If you come up to re-break the current highs, I'll probably move stops to break even again. Let's see, pushing.
I think you're good. I think he's gonna yeah.
There we go. Yeah, guys, gonna move my Ooh, no, not yet.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's because of spreads. 1.5. It's like ranging from like 2 pips to 1.4, 1.3. There we go. Got 5 pips here. One hour start play you had as well. I didn't realize that. Yeah, the 1 hour start play right now. Yeah, we can re-break the highs. I think that's Chabella. I think this might be the Chabella move, maybe. The spread is just ranging crazy right now. 1.4, 2.1. Yeah,
This is tough right now. If I were in your position, I would probably move stops to break even. Just because that 33 pip stop loss, is that how big it is?
Yeah. Price pushing up here. Yeah, I'm moving my stops to break even here actually. To the bottom of that candle. If you guys got late entry, I'll say move to the bottom of that candle as well. That's my break even. Yeah. This can also shouldn't flip bearish. Wants to drive here. And I got stopped that break even on that trade.
Yeah.
Nah. I got stopped that break even, guys. That's fine. This count didn't flip yet as well. Yeah.
GJ might be creating the top wick.
Got stopped that break even there. GG top wick. You're talking about? Oh, here? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm looking for a sell, but I'm waiting the breakup of the current 30 minutes low.
Oh, there's the bottom wick on gold. Is that the bottom wick?
Good call on moving stops to break even, bro. That was a good move.
I was very hesitant just because of the spreads, but I just decided to just do it just because, again, yeah, he did say when it kind of opened up, it had a nib.
Yeah.
Doesn't really. I think this might be the bottom wick though. Once it free flips bullish here.
Now that bottom wick.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you might be good, but
can't really enter here. Let's see if you break the highs. You're looking like a. Are you gonna enter the break of the highs them? 14 pips stop loss for like a 21 pip TP.
Looking at this 5-minute entry here. If we come down, create a decent bottom wick, respect previous 5-minute lows, and then I'll probably enter on the flip. Has to, and people are like, oh, it's 5-minute, like you break lows on 5 minute all the time. Yep, that's just what I'll do. Will give me an extra confirmation.
Hey, this count, yeah, 5 minute makes a low, reflips bullish. That's your entry in the 15. Oh, that's your entry then. Yeah,
that looks clean.
Because then you're just anticipating this flip
That's
here.
Entry on that. Yep.
Guys, got in a second position here on GJ, on gold. Sorry, stops are current count lows, and TP is up here for 29 pips. Stops are right now 7 pips on this trade. I don't expect this 15 to flip bearish here. Again, it will break the lows if it wants to drive up, since this is also the 5-minute closing above the range as well. Let's see what happens there. Because for one, we got the bond wick formed, right? For two, oh, here's Chalbella. For two,
yeah, you're good.
Once the 5-minute closed, after creating a lower wick, it indicates that okay, we broke above resistance form support, which should be valid for price to continue up. So now that we're breaking the highs here, wow. Jay, you're 10 pips. I got like I got like 4 or 5 maybe.
I hesitated and get it in, and was too late at that point. This 5-minute comes up to re-break the highs that it already created. Then it's Cabela for sure.
I got 7 pips there. Hey guys, hope you guys are killing it. Work is killing me, so just drop in and give a little wish and all the best. Feel easy, man. Hope you're having a great day. I might get stopped in the second position here. Yeah, spreads killed me today. This trade was like 7 pips in profit. I got like 4 or 5 maybe with spreads. Spreads are higher. Spreads are like 2 pips right now for gold. Pretty massive. And we re-break the highs. Find out.
I think it might be good.
Fuck, man. I mean,
You
new
might be
5
good,
minutes. That's it. Spreads are killing me. If there's no spreads, break even, you know. But what's GG doing? Oh, hey, who's talking about GG earlier? Stefano, is that you? I think GG is starting to flip bearish now.
Yeah.
Current count stops
Yes.
are like 9 pips, 10 pips, and TP is like 13 pips for this. If that's your
Yeah,
trade.
I mean,
You in? 15 minute start, 5 minute start play? Oh yeah, say ciao bella. Yeah. Let's see what gold does here. Guys, if gold breaks if gold breaks is low now, what's gonna happen most likely is gonna come down to create a steeper support somewhere down here. So then we'll look for buys later on after we break this resistance. But this might be my last trade of the day probably. This is like my third trade. Third trade on stream. Rare. Pushing up. Let's see. Move. Go. Stop loss. What time is it? 45, 40? We got 5 minutes left for a 15-minute closure. If the 15 closes bullish, we're solid. If it closes bearish or obviously doji, we're probably chalked. But we got 5 minutes on this 15-minute candle. Oh, there it is. Nice. Gonna move. This trade stops to break even now, making this a risk-free trade. Now I got like 8 pips there.
Ooh, yeah.
Yep.
Almost.
You got your GG trade?
yes.
Nice.
Just caught.
There it is,
9.
guys.
I got out my 10.
Caught.
I got 9 or 10. I don't even know.
Called out GG there.
Oh no, I got 10.
Yeah.
Stuff.
Honestly, I feel like that was bad profits, but I'll say
No,
my
no,
trade.
that GG was good profits. Definitely good profits.
No, my personal entry was bad profits because I entered. There was like a small top wick at the start, and then it flipped, and then I entered, and then it made the real top wick.
Oh.
And it was one of those things where Andre's like, the 30-minute stops were huge, so he would wait for like a big top wick. So I was
Yeah.
kind of shitting my pants, and I even journaled it. I was like, in hindsight, like I feel lucky to win.
Yeah, I waited that top week, like a bigger one, and then I enter.
Yeah, that's what
I just entered like about 1 minute ago. I'm out.
Yeah, I mean, I'll take my 10, but definitely a learning one.
We definitely called that down. Current count stops for a TP of like what, 13 pips there? Count flipping.
First dub of the month.
Nice, good stuff.
Nice trade.
I think I might hit break even here on gold. Oh, nope. Came very close. Man, gold's struggling here, man. Gold's struggling. Still surviving. Yo, Marcos, what broker are you using right now?
Cheers, man.
How big are your spreads right now for GJ?
Almost 2 pips, I think.
How about gold?
Delete that shit off. Let me check.
I hit break even? No. Very
Gold's
close.
only like 0.3, 0.4.
1.4?
No, only like 0.3, 0.4 pips. No, it's like 0.3 pips. A third of a pip.
Wait, what? How?
Oh man.
What? It's moving a lot. Spreads are moving a lot.
It is moving a lot, but the spread is staying tight right now.
Are you looking at the negative 0.32% thing?
No, staring at the spread.
Oh,
I don't know what that is though. What's the? I don't know what the percent thing means.
percentage. I think that's for a day. That's like daily like gain or loss for that pair. That's what it is.
Oh wait, no, I'm wrong. You're right. It's 2 pips.
I'm like, wait, how do you have a? What kind of broker do you have?
Well, I'm off my game on gold. I haven't traded it since like February.
There it is.
Nah, I see what you're saying. My spreads on gold right now are like 2.5.
Yeah,
2.6.
it's crazy right now. I'm like, why is this so massive?
I was like confused for a second, but yeah, 2.6.
Yeah, I think I might be good here.
Damn, 0.2 pips would be insane.
Nah, I think you're good.
I think I'm good here.
You're good, bro.
This is like the 5th time I'm saying this too.
We got this is the last 15 minute of the hourly. So as long as the wick for the hourly isn't, too big to be created, I think you're good.
I gotta survive this 15 pullback too. Yeah, it's hourly and top walk. We got a 15.
I missed what happened. Did you end up closing half at 10 pips?
No, I didn't get 10 pips. I never got 10 pips.
Oh, you just moved stops to break even?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Naughty.
What a messy day though. I'm the cleanest day. So to start off with gold buys, break even. I'll put GJ in here, just whatever.
I just feel like you could have caught like two GJ trades and called it a day.
Yeah, if I just looked at GJ, that's fine.
It was so clean. So clean.
Okay, gonna close half here my positions at 10 pips, and then gonna leave a runner here until TP. Nice. That's 10 pips. They can have no bond wick too. I expect this candle to flip bearish here actually.
Good trade, Don.
That was a struggle trade.
A struggle bus.
We needed the heart rate on for that one.
Yeah, my heart rate was beating because of spreads and all that. I just want to survive it. It was a long trade. It was just like, okay, yeah, there's bond wick. Now we gotta survive this. Once you survive this and we flip bullish again, we should be solid. But again, our entry is here. We can't do anything about that. So it's a break even. Minimum requirement. Definitely a messy day for gold though. GJ was solid though. GJ sells below here and the sells below here. I was thinking of entering sells on GJ too when you guys entered on the flip, but since I was already in gold, it was like my second trade. I just decided not to get in. I would have been in way too many positions.
Yeah, that would have been crazy.
That would have been crazy. 200 beats per minute.
200 beats per minute.
I would have been on my way to the hostel.
Hey, Don.
Yeah, what's up?
Since I joined, I have been taking like half of the amount of trades
Really?
I take before.
Yeah.
Yeah, but better results.
Nice.
Like crazy.
Are you not hesitant, but are you more? You know what you're gonna take nowadays. Like you know what you see and what you want, and you kind of avoid trades that you don't want. So
Yeah. Also, the things about the top weeks and those kind of things are helping me a lot.
They make a big. Yeah, those make a big.
Yeah, it makes a big difference.
that's probably the most important thing of the course, honestly. Just no top wicks, cause it kind of helps you not overtrade.
Yeah. Well, I waited GJ until right now to take that trade.
I think I'm good here. Bond wick has been
Nice,
formed.
bro.
Free flip and bullish. If this hits TP, this is a potential 30 pit runner. I look a lot bigger. 30 pit runner. It looked a lot bigger.
Don't you hate that?
I thought it was like 60 pips or something. This is a bit smaller, yeah.
Oh shit, that's funny.
Turn me up.
There it is. The streak continues. Not the cleanest day, but I'll take it as it is. Bit messy, but hopefully if you guys caught any trades with me, it would have been this trade. First trade didn't catch. Wasn't the best RR. Second trade break even. Third trade, this is a trade down. Hopefully you guys would have caught. That's definitely dubs in the chat. And we also just broke down a bunch of GJ sells as well too. So if you didn't catch gold, you could definitely caught GJ off the breakdowns. Yeah. Can you just fly up here, man? Gold, you have nowhere else to go here, Gold. You have clean traffic here. That's all you have. This is the cleanest you can get, Gold. Just make the push and make it easier for everyone in the chat. Chat.
I love it.
Chat, we need to move Gold. So everyone in the chat, I want you guys to say one word. And I want everyone to say up. 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 Up.
An entry on GJ. I think about to hit break even. Move my stops to break even at 7 pips.
Someone sit down. Wait, Andre, so what ended up happening with you within Gold today? I was so confused, man. I was confused.
Gold.
You didn't? You couldn't get anything in?
No, I got a position on GJ that's gonna hit break even right now, probably.
And you can't control those things too. Like sometimes the move just happens too quick unless you have like actual stops, like sell stops, buy stops in play.
And that's okay. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't beat yourself up on it. I got an entry on GJ at 151098. The break of the 5-minute lows. Came down like 7 pips. Move stops to break even. Now I'm just risk free, but price is struggling. Looks like it might stop me out here.
We need to play that song for Gold to continue to push up here. That's a good idea. Someone in the chat said play Cardi B. I can't find a clip. Okay, I'll do it later. Nice. Gold is pushing up here. Can we re-break the highs, Gold? What are you gonna do here, Gold? And starting to reject here. Starting to come down to our break even. Back at the opening of the candle. Starting to flip bearish now. Are we gonna break the lows? Let's find out. Market maker. It's your time to shine.
Did you call him?
I don't need to call him no more. I just text him now.
Okay.
Market re-breaking the lows. Looking like we're coming down to break even. My entry was 1786.47 to be exact. So that's like pretty much right where I have it. Oh, looks like we're flipping bullish now. Gold doesn't know what it wants to do here. Right after resistance. What is dropping?
GJ's dropping.
Oh yeah, GJ is saying ciao Bella.
9 pips in profit here.
Oh, look at the forward candle. Look at where it's gonna close in 8 minutes here. If it closes. Wow.
Nice.
Yeah, GJ's dropping here. I think if we don't close below on a 4-hour time frame, it's gonna be a bit choppy for the rest of the day. But if we close below, we might have some more moves coming down. Like I'm looking at a potential like 68 pip range going down.
Thinking about actually closing my position out now at that 4-hour resistance. I didn't see that. It's a little late now. Ooh. GJ rejected off that 4-hour hard.
Gold is starting to re-break the kind of highs for the 5th time today within the last 5 minutes. Let's see if we can stay bullish here. Oh man.
There's a decent amount of volume right now.
Decent volume. I think tomorrow's gonna be even crazier because tomorrow's when we open up fully. So should be pretty insane.
Yep, I agree with that. I think even London might have some decent volume tonight.
Oh, I found it. I found it. I'm gonna record this real quick.
Okay, gold.
There it is. There's the push that you wanted, guys. Dubs in the chat for this trade here.
Sound effects.
Let's fucking go. Let's go.
Hey.
Turn me up, chat. The streak continues. Can we get our full 30 pips though? Wow, I actually want to close here because this trade has been pissing me off. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think I want to close here. Am I gonna really close though? Pushing up, and I am going to
Close.
I am going to close right here of my profits. I just secured around 18 pips here on that trade. Good stuff, guys. Amazing trade, amazing session. That was not the cleanest trade. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, not the cleanest day, but we got through it. We managed risk. We did what we had to do. We can't control volume, and there's only one thing I can say now. Closing full here at this entry actually was a bit better, so they got an entry up here. So look at that, 24 pips. They got 24 plus pips. Perfecto. Congrats. Dubs in the chat, guys. Dubs in the chat. That was a very good trade. Oh, TP's but get smacked there. Nice.
I stopped at B on GJ.
You stopped at Bree. Oh, GJ.
Yeah, I was up 9.3 pips. I didn't close. Got stopped to break even.
Oh.
I should have closed that 4-hour resistance. I didn't see that. That's rough. That's rough.
What was your entry?
Carlo.
My brothers.
What's up, man?
Entry was 151098.
I saw you caught some pips. I was in GJ too, brother. Got stopped out. Break even.
Break even?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got in on the
very similar
15,
entry. This
yeah.
is why.
It was like
Stops breaking.
8
No, it's this right here now.
pips.
Scam's pushing up.
I had like 8 pips. I was thinking like, maybe I should close full, but I moved to break even and it just stopped me out. So it's fine though.
Yeah, I had 9.3 pips. I should have just
'Cause,
closed
like,
full. We
with
tapped
the
that 4-hour
spreads,
resistance.
Yeah, and then you take like when you consider the spreads, you get what, like 11 pips. So it's all right. But for gold, like I wanted to get in the buys too with Don the second attempt when it flipped bearish, made the bottom wick and flipped bullish, but I missed it like for a second. So I was like, all right, I got it.
Yeah, man, that trade pissed me off just because the spreads were just crazy. That's the only reason. It was a good trade though, but I was so close to getting stopped out of break even that trade. Very close. I was like, maybe spreads were like what, 1.78 pips at one point, and I was like 2 pips in profit. So I just barely survived it, like a 0.3 of a pip. So good trade. Look at that stacked sheet though. They call me the stacked sheet stuffer. Look at that. GJ, gold, trades called, sells. That's how you know it's a good day when we have like the whole thing just covered 3 and 3. You guys probably didn't get my reference. Stacked sheet stuffer is from some guy I used to watch back in the day.
Say that 3 times fast.
No, that's way too hard. You say it. Stack sheet stuffer. Stack sheet stuffer. I can't see it.
I'm gonna have to leave you guys in like 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Great stream, brothers. As always.
Hey, Carlo, can you tell these guys? Look at them. We had 200 viewers when the trade hit TP, and now we have 183. 17 people left because they won a trade. Why does this always happen? They come just for the trade and they leave.
Because they took a buy here. Didn't play out. I can't remove this red line. I don't know why.
I got you, man.
Can you imagine if someone took all the trades called and the trades taken?
I would have if I had no rules today.
Oh, I just wanted to say I'll sing till 100, but it's fine. 101. 101.
Oh, Carlo, you gotta sing to 200, man.
I'm gonna leave you guys. I have a call with work. Great stream.
Later, brother. Good seeing you, man.
Yeah, Carlo.
You too,
Thanks for
brothers.
showing up, man.
Peace and love.
Peace and love,
Like
man.
the stream. And see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
I love that comment. Thanks for the money, Don.
What a great day. I'm just here being quiet in chat. It's bang around, haha. Thanks for the money, Don. Thanks to you for awesome pips, guys. Can you buy some more protein?
Yeah, that's my dude, Byron.
You're muted? I know I was muted. I was making an Instagram video, guys. I was making an Instagram video. Sorry.
He's not going anywhere.
So
he's still here.
So I'm a bit confused today. I'm gonna go one by one. Or I'm just go with whoever I see on camera actually. Andre, so how many trades did you take today?
I took one trade.
Oh, okay. I thought you took like a lot more. Okay. And
What?
break even?
Why would you think I took a lot
Because
more?
yo, there's when I was in that gold trade, there were so many people telling me, yo, I'm gonna go sell, go buy, I was so confused. So you take one trade, okay. How about you, Marcos? One trade?
Say how many trades?
Yeah.
I took one trade today.
Nice. And
One
you're
and done, baby.
You're gonna say
Name of the
break even,
game.
Andre, right?
What'd you say?
You're gonna say break even?
Yep. Yeah, I got like I said, I had 9.3 pips in profit. I didn't close. I saw us tapping that 4-hour resistance, and I don't know. I didn't close and came to hit my break even.
That's funny. You always close at like 10, 9.5.
Yeah. That's now this is tough because I know there's a lot of people in that situation or are going to be, and it's like now you feel like I had basically my full TP smacked. I saw a bunch of money on my screen, then it all just got taken away, right? I didn't make any money. Now I feel obligated to take another trade. This is when you take another trade and you lose it because you're trying to force it. Like Marco said, one and done, call it a day, move on to tomorrow.
Especially when it's like a clean late in the session type 10 pip trade, like I'm done, you know? Any trade. I feel like if you take any trade after like around 8:39, like that's got to be your last trade, you know? Unless it's like a super aggro day,
Late
middle
day.
of the week.
Yeah. I'm just right though. These are days that make you. Or those trades are trades that make you. It's fine. Are you gonna take another trade, Andre, or are you done for a day?
I'm probably done for the day. I mean, this 4-hour
50
just
star
opened
play.
up, has no top wick. So, has no bottom wick. So it's going to be a little bit before it comes down and creates that bottom wick probably.
That's not support.
GJ closed bearish right at support where we literally just rejected. So today is chalked.
Yeah. Maybe Asian session, but I think for New York, it's done.
You know what's crazy?
What's crazy?
You know what's really crazy? Look at that story I retweeted earlier. On gold. Where is it? Wow, we're in that trade for like 30 minutes.
Oh, fuck. 15-minute GJ sells. Oh, no.
Hey, Terry Hampson, if you're here, can you find that part where I drew out the forward candle on gold, this forward bullish candle for later? I just got a clip later. If you're gonna do timestamps, appreciate it in advance if you're listening.
Gold is flying.
No bottom wick, yeah. Flying.
Second day in a row that it's had no bottom wick on the 4-hour and blown up. GJ should drop a little here. Yeah, I think I'm about to call it. I'm actually about to hop off the charts just so I don't do some stupid shit. See you guys tomorrow.
FOMO.
Type 5 FOMO. Type 5 FOMO.
I just on type 6 FOMO, man. This guy got FOMO over a no bottom wick.
See, you gotta be honest with yourself.
Yeah,
You
no.
gotta be gold. I didn't even trade gold. I traded GJ today. You just gotta be honest with yourself. Like I know if I stay on the charts for another half hour, I'm probably gonna take a chart, even though I have better discipline than 90% of the people here right now. It doesn't matter. It's just, I'm putting myself in a bad situation.
The chat will miss you. You gotta stay. The chat wants to talk to you. How about you close the charts?
When that first GJ move happened, I literally this is how bad my FOMO was. I literally opened EJ to look at it because I was so mad.
Just to get a little taste of something.
That's type 1.
There's a move somewhere else. Like that's it's like you can't control this sometimes, man. You're human.
Yeah. Human. So you just we're all human. So I'm just gonna hop off the charts. I'm gonna close my shit.
And you're gonna stay on the Zoom call and enjoy a day with us.
Peace.
Later, bro. Later.
Yo, Nafak, what's poppin'?
No, you gotta stay. You gotta stay now, man. You gotta stay. Nafak's here.
Boy, what's goody?
What's up, man? What's up?
What's good? What's good? You take any trades today or not?
Yeah, I got in on GJ. I missed gold, but I think I got like 10 pips and then it broke even.
Same. I had like 9.3 and then hit break even for me.
Okay. Yep, I'm still on a good little streak, man.
Nice, man.
How long's the streak?
Nice.
I took 2 trades yesterday, so I'm like 3 trade streak.
Where were you yesterday? We called you out. We're like, where's Nafak at?
Nah, it was just kind of hectic in the morning.
I got you.
I was there, but I would have been all over the place in the morning.
We let you fall asleep. Some people join a Zoom call and fall asleep. Just stay on.
Y'all ever seen that video on Instagram of that like kid sleeping at his computer desk and his dad takes a full cup of water and throws it on his face? It's the funniest shit ever. He like looks up at his dad like he was sleeping. He's like, "This is what you do every morning when you're at school? Fall asleep?"
I used to fall asleep in school all the time, man. I don't know how teachers will see me. Is this it? Oh yeah, this is gold. This is the fake we drew on gold. Wow, will you look at that, guys? Well. We had that. No, it was a 4 account though, unless I'm wrong. Yeah, it was a 4 account. It was like 7:30 or something, like around this time. Right here. Right there. That's the 4 candle. Oh no, that's not it. Right here. We drew out how we explained here earlier. It's very important because we explained how with the 30-minute candle closing back in the range, it indicates that we're gonna come up to fill the range, right? And if you think about it, that 30-minute candle was at 8:30. Therefore, you had one more 30-minute candle left, and once this candle closes, it leads you to 4, or the new 4 candle, which is at 9 a.m. Right, so now if you go on a 4 candle, it has closed there because we pushed up from that 30-minute candle. We're doing something like this. So now that we have closed, that's creating a support on the 4-hour time frame. High chance now we have for price to continue up to retest the highs up here, and to continue up to create a new high for the day if we close above and then continue up for tomorrow. So with that being said, it now leads you to the daily candle flipping bullish, which leads it to the weekly for breaking the highs, which will take us up towards the next resistance up here at 1813. So it all starts in that 30-minute candle. That's where it all started. Andre just doesn't want to leave, does he? He just wants to stay and vibe up with us.
I'm leaving.
15-minute start play, Andre.
Oh shit, GJ! Oh no! This is coming down, dude. This is coming down.
Traffic to the left is gross.
Yeah, that traffic is gross though. I'm just playing.
All right, I'm fucking leaving.
Andre, are we gonna have that? Are we gonna have that meeting? What time do you have your first client at?
It's supposed to be at 10:30.
Unless, did they make any markups or anything like that? mock-ups? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I got 2 markups.
Okay. You wanna have the meeting after, or you just wanna tonight or some shit?
How long are you gonna stay in stream for?
I don't know. I just wanna kind of. I mean, I don't know. The marks look too
Just vibe out and we'll do it later.
Let's vibe out.
We'll do it later tonight.
Midday or something. Yeah. All right, man. You can dip now.
Peace out, boys.
Peace, man.
You can dip now.
Yeah. Later.
Peace out. Don't overtrade.
Yeah. I guarantee you guys. He's gonna take another trade when he hops off.
Okay, I see Nafak over here. I see you. This man looks like he just got cards. Like, whoa. I see you, bro.
Just a little CBD,
I
man.
see you.
I'm light.
In fact, where are you from again? I think you told us. I can't remember though.
He just doesn't want to leave. He doesn't want to leave.
I'm from Tampa. Well, I live in Tampa, but I'm from South Carolina though.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
Wait, Andre, were you always born in NY?
New York?
Yeah.
Yeah. New York, baby.
Oh, nice. So, how long you been there for?
You trying to troll me, bro?
Nah. Like how long you been
No, I got you.
How long you been in NY for? Oh no.
All right. Wait for tomorrow's workout.
Oh shit.
This man's about to be crying.
I don't cry when it comes to arms, man. I took a loss in gold today. Today, gold 30-minute broke highs, took buy, and then broke the low, then going up. Always gold behave like this. Where did you get an entry in at though? Where did you get in? What exact entry point? Send me a chart, explain it. Andre, man. How you gonna leave, Andre? I'm just playing. You're dismissed. You can leave.
Yo, he said you're dismissed. The bell doesn't dismiss you. I dismiss you.
Yes. God, the on is on one, dude. Love it. Don's gonna be hurting tomorrow, folks. What should we train for tomorrow for Don? Anyone have any recommendations? We'll let chat decide. Whatever chat decides. If chat decides you do legs tomorrow,
legs only.
You do legs tomorrow.
All right. And if chat decides that do legs tomorrow,
all week,
I will give them. I will give them a McLaren sniper entry tomorrow. Nice on the stream, first thing in the morning. If they give me a leg day tomorrow, I'll give you guys the best signal ever. 1 to 1,000 RR trade. Negative, perfect trade for you guys. You guys give me a leg day.
Oh, okay. Some burpees. I see that. Oh, see, IG World said legs. We get enough votes on legs. We're hitting legs again tomorrow, Don.
All right, guys. I'm taking that cell right here.
Don, you ever done a burpee before or no?
I did that plenty of times. Those aren't anything, man. That's baby food, man.
That's baby food.
Yeah, that's baby food, man.
Legs and toes. Oh god. More recommendations. Come on. I know there's more people in there that want Don to suffer. What's he training tomorrow?
Chicken legs. I got a lot of vertical for chicken legs though.
21s on the arms, Byron. That's a good idea. Superman's never punch.
Wait, chest day? Yeah, chest day. That's a good one. I like that.
Did you order your dumbbells?
All right, Andre, you're dismissed. Take it easy. Have a great day.
Yo,
peace and love.
Chat. We need to all troll him at the same time right now. This boy needs to just buy his dumbbells.
Bro, I want good quality ones, and I can't find them.
Do y'all do virtual? Is that how you do it,
we do virtual. Oh,
yeah,
yo,
Zoom.
Andre, did you want that clip from yesterday or no?
Yes, good call. Actually, send that shit to me. I'm about to do a little edit on it.
Okay.
So what do you need? Like just dumbbells?
Well, in fact, it's kind of funny you asked.
Go ahead,
because
Andre. Take over.
For a little taste for everybody, Don and I are gonna be doing some giveaways where we're actually giving away fitness equipment so that you can partake in the sessions, right? So a set of resistance bands, a foldable bench that you can put in your closet, interchangeable dumbbells. There's some things coming. So everyone that is interested, right, just hops right on Zoom. They got their equipment ready to go.
It'll be a different group chat too. It'll probably be in like I'm thinking most likely Discord. Most likely Discord. Or maybe another Telegram group. I don't know yet, but I'm looking to do that. Or we're looking to do that.
Yeah, I need to work out, man. I'm being lazy.
You took a break, or you never worked out before?
No, I used to work out. Well, I used to work construction, so I mean, it's like hard ass shit all day, and I can feel that I'm probably gonna get fat in like a month because I don't work there anymore. So I gotta get back on it.
Yes, sir.
And my girl's always talking about working out and shit. So
yeah,
you can't let her become like way more fit than you. You know.
Nah, fuck that.
If it wasn't for Andre, I wouldn't have worked out. Honestly, if it wasn't for Andre, I wouldn't be. I'd probably be still making an excuse. So I'll start next month. I'll start next month. It's been 4 months, right, Andre?
Yeah, it's been like 3.5.
3.5, 4 months. Yeah.
3.5, 4 months.
Pretty good pace. Obviously, got more stuff to work on, but it's been good. Pierre, you got a chart. What do you have here, Pierre? Entry as candle broke support, candle closed below, move stops break even. You asking this is a start play? Yeah, this is a start play. Yeah. I think the start play entry to be exact was right here though, on the break of that low. So this, not really. This is more of like a impulse, I'll say. This is a start play right there with the break of the lows. Pretty clean chart. How's GG doing here? Oh, support form, new 4 hour candle. Yeah, 4 hours looks chalked on GJ. It doesn't look too great. Looks pretty nasty. 4 hour on Gold Helper looks like it has a lot of potential to go up, but you need a bond wick. Hey, but look at this. Although we didn't create a bond wick yesterday, we created it today.
And I got a question for you on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Say the 4 hour
826.
Whoa.
Sorry. For a second, let me just take a picture of this. I can clip it later. Gotcha. Yep. 4 hour, what about it?
4 hour on gold.
Mm-hmm.
If the 4 hour looks like this, right? What would that look like on a smaller time frame?
And this candle just opened up, right?
Yeah, like, you know, draw it out. So like this is really what this 4 hour is gonna look like. Okay.
First hourly draw on what time frame? 15:30. What do you want to do?
Draw it out on the 30.
Okay, so that's the 4 hour candle. If that's this 4 hour candle, just went straight up after creating that wick, opened up right here. Okay, so open up right there, came up right there. So this new 4 hour candle looks something like this probably. I gotta see a 30 again.
What would buys look like in this situation?
Or something like this. And it gives the bottom wick first, right?
Yep.
That's the first hourly candle probably. Usually. And then we would then continue up.
Yes.
And then like this.
And then where's your entry? Right on that first hourly candle at support, right?
And then this would be the bottom wick. Entry would be probably this, yeah. You know what's funny about this? You know what's funny about this? If this were to be a 30-minute candle here, creating the bottom wick, what's gonna happen here on a day time frame exact, or 4 times exact same thing. Like this looks exactly like this, doesn't it? Support form to go back up. So
yeah,
the same thing that's happening on 30 minute right now, or potentially gonna happen to create the new 4 candle low, is the same thing that's gonna happen on the 4 right now that's doing on the daily to create a top wick.
Yo, mind blown.
Hey, right? It's all there. It's all the same thing, same concepts.
If you follow along with that, that's awesome, because that like really means that you understand price action and reading candles backwards, and like just the same things that we look for every single day, right? That was dope.
I didn't realize the daily looked the same too, but yeah, that was the 4 daily creating thing now. And if you understood wicks, the reason why it's, you know, openings of wicks, no top wicks, closings, no top wicks, closing bears with no bottom wicks, etc. You understand why we're heavily bullish today, although the day count was currently bearish, and we avoided fake out sells. Very key.
Yo, Marco, what's up, man? You didn't say what's up, bro. We beefing or what?
Yeah, man, we beefing. I was locked in on something.
Oh, what are you over trading right now?
I'm not over trading, bro. I've uploaded 2 times to Instagram already.
Okay, my bad. I gotta upload mine.
It's 9 a.m. Where you at?
I got a stream too.
Okay.
I got a stream today.
You got him with fitness. I got him with content, bro. Turning Don into a super monster.
I'm posting 3 pieces of content today. 3 on
This dude's gonna be
Instagram.
jacked, famous, rich. This is gonna be insane.
Yes, I like the vibes. Yesterday was my first day ever posting 2 pieces of content in one day on Instagram.
How's it feel?
Don't you feel freaking insane?
I feel like, I just feel like I'm on top of it, bro.
So what are you gonna do today again? Are you gonna do the same thing today?
Yeah, I'm gonna try and go for 2 today. I'm gonna do one like normal post, like, you know, talking like little like blog style about something that people struggle with, and then another one that's like a little bit more functional, of something aesthetically pleasing, like a workout, right versus wrong, something like that.
Let's see this. Oh, you know, you need some good edits. You need to get a
bro. What are you talking about?
Nah, you need to add
it.
No, you need to add like a cover so that when people see it on the explore page, they want to click it.
Yeah, clickbait type stuff on the cover.
You need like clickbait, because unless they click it, they don't see the edits. I got you, bro. I'll send you some.
Send me some. Send me some of what you're talking about. Almost like
this shit.
Like an overlay. Like
yeah,
an
overlay.
Or like that.
Tell me
Like things that pop up and then they go away.
Yeah. It can go away like a second after.
There's ways to do it for fitness specifically. If you go to like hashtag.
I like it. At first, I thought you were talking shit on my editing, and I was about.
Andre was hurt.
He's
over
leveraging right now.
Andre, how long did it take you to make that video?
Over leveraging. What's up?
How long did it take you to make that video on what's it called? Premiere Pro?
Premiere Pro. Probably took me like 40 minutes, 30 minutes. I'm just starting, man, and you know, I'm slow with technology, so I'll be able to get.
I'm surprised videos. You know how I use Premiere Pro with girl level technology.
What's up?
I'm surprised you know how I use Premiere Pro. Like,
bro, it's tough. Well, on one of my monitors, I have Premiere Pro where I'm editing, and then on the other monitor, I have YouTube, and I'm researching and learning how to edit the entire time I'm making the video. Like every little thing that I do, transitions and fades and shit, like I'm just YouTubing it and then doing it at the same time. So I feel like no one has an excuse not to do it. You know, just try whatever you're trying to do, even if you're not good at it.
Agreed. What was the question for this chart again? I think I missed this. You asked the question. I know for a fact you did. Was it you? No questions. Just the chart. Okay. I guess I'm in the current sell price. Okay. What about it though? Where's your entry? Where's your stop loss? Why is that your stop loss? Why is that your TP? Why is that your zone? Why is that your levels? Right. The why is to what you see here. Because I don't know what you're looking for here. You're gonna sell. I get it. I mean, you're following the. I guess the current day trend, or not really. Actually, this is actually bullish day. I think. I'm not really sure, but I think this is a support that you have right here that personally struggle with. I think once you break that support though, we should come down towards this level of support. But aside from that, I don't know much. There's not much on this chart for me to really touch up on. More info, man. More info is better. Look at daily. At daily gold, our today resistance is the exact same as yesterday. Daily? Yes, it is. It's at resistance. It never broke. GJ can go to 150, 60, 80 zone. Yes, but again, I probably think it's gonna be tomorrow because we need a day count closure outside of this range, because if we just, you know, close bearish here at support, we might continue down, but you need a closure to indicate that we are breaking actual support. Then yeah, that's when you'll see your levels at 150, you know, 150, 200, 150, 400 to get tapped, because that is clean traffic looking left. But you need a closure first. You definitely need a closure, and especially on the 4 hour time frame as well. This is a heavy support here, and we haven't even closed below, so I think a closure would be ideal for us to continue down towards the next support. Choose every time to work out. Stay safe. Yeah, man. Stay safe. Get some sun. I am going to call it a day 2. Actually, there's not much I'm looking for. It was a very good day today. Whenever you come to the stream and you see our trades taken and trades called stack like that, it's how you know it was a very good day. But if you guys enjoyed the stream, make sure you guys go leave a like. Hope you enjoy your stay. Appreciate you guys. Catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Peace and love. Thanks, Yomi Soda.
Later, boys.
Later. Later, everyone. In the Zoom.
Later.
Peace. Dubs in the chat.